Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord. Yeah, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, people, big up on yourself, blessings and respect. Ragashanti life on the big bad TikTok and thing, larger proof for larger, big up on yourself, all TamFamers, big up all subscribers, big up all, well, thank you, Milo, I give me shirt, I look at ratings and thing. Saying, Danny, large up yourself, Munchi there, Antasha in the building, big up yourself, Antasha. Mumans, them finno. Munchie in the building, large up yourself, Starboy, me see you hunting. Banana cookie, wagwan. Everything is everything. Cheryl Plum, Rennie just a follow Ragashanti, big up yourself. Queen Nash, big up yourself. You see Queen Nash a star, See Queen Nash a sinner and the, what name again? What the Orange Heart, something name again? Something me. All right. Oh God, I need to turn this thing off right here. Stop it. I'm always I invite you for what name the co-host and thing. I know me not do that. Well, unless me I bring in a co-host, which I will. But when I do them match up with it. Chris Munchie, yes, Raga, I am here. It's too early to sleep now. Oh, God, no, please. You sleep anywhere, anytime. Come on, Munchie, don't do that. We know what you think. What, just have my heart not dirty, I just, I saw it still. When I'm brighty, down at the top about just have a thing, my heart down dirty. Out of it don't, no, it's not dirty, You see how it's still? I did white name them, I don't know, the black. Say that look dirty. But say in a dirty, I hold it down and you see it. You see it in a dirty, Let me tell you why it's not dirty, it's new. Red Ras, big up yourself. Red Ras, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Red Ras. And you know why me I big you up down? Why somebody chew a word for you yesterday, mama? When me hear them a chew a word for you, I almost fight them, Yeah, I almost fight them. Come here, say, I want them for a dash word for my friends, so. Yeah. I want them for a chew a word for my friends, so I nearly take them on, man. Full blast. All right, Tony Kingston, too. No, somebody did a true word for you yesterday and thing. It never normal and thing. And I would that a Sonia that. Sonia, big up yourself, big up yourself. And thing and whatever. Me used to pick on the Canadian them. But ever since such man go start war with them, me not pick on them. Yo, TikTok, TikTok always a come with some sitting, Me stop pick on them, but the one thing, me I go still hold, which is true, I want to know some of them on this long time. Tony Kingston too, but big up all 40s, yes, so try a Calabar, this is Calabar territory here, all right? 40s, well a second, okay. Don't pay no man, we always a war, Calabar and KC. A long time, something like this. Anyway, what me did I say again? Big up from UK and thing and whatever and thing, large up on it. Yeah, the Canada people, the one thing, you don't know, man, that we know about Canada people and them sort out pop down, right? And everybody know that, we don't know what go on this with them, but the Canada people, them just cross the board, like, Canadian sort of boring, bad, You understand? Tomorrow, you want to sing today? Well, your song, my song? You went out on a date, Raga, that is a date. Look, no, never go on a date, some day I work all day today. Yeah, man, my day I work all day today, And sitting and then, line up now for come to the show and all these things and whatever. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have, family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Hello.
Raga, how are you?
Boy, I'm good, you know. You?
I'm blessed.
You just assessor or you blessed with you?
Very, very blessed.
Very, very blessed. All right, talk up, look louder here. Hello? Yeah, man, we are here. We are here, yeah, man, but just talk look louder.
No, I say I'm very blessed. I become a citizen in June, so I'm very blessed.
You what?
Become a U.S. citizen in June, so I'm very blessed.
Hey, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. You see it. Blessings, man. See, yeah, man, we are here, you're loud and clear now. Yeah, man, your thing balanced now.
But Raga, I need your number for immigration and purposes for my brother.
All right, it's in my bio here, but I will just give it to you. I'll just say it, and anytime I say it, I'm always put it in my chat here.
Okay.
So it's 516 500 0210.
Hold on, Raga.
Them put it in our chat. Them always put in our chat. Here, it's there in the chat. See there about 10 million people.
516.
It's in the chat. No, let me tell you, TikTok not really why you repeat numbers. You know, you get in trouble. That's why.
Let me screenshot it. Hold on.
Yeah, man, it's in the chat. Yeah.
All right, Raga. Thank you.
Yeah,
you
man.
Need to check your phone, the TamFam phone. That's what it's called? That number?
What, this one here? The number I just give you?
But I left your message on it. I left your voice note on WhatsApp. Is it this number? Let me see.
No, it might be a different number.
Let me tell you the number.
No, man, it's just tons and tons are coming and just to go through them sometimes. But me look out for it, yeah?
All right. Because I message you. Let me tell you when I message you. I message you since July 15th.
All right, me look on the day there and thing and make sure I check out through it, yeah?
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, man. All right, take care. Good. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have one thing, talk to me.
Hello, pretty teeth. Nice clean mouth, sir. How you doing today?
You know some good work going with you.
Yeah, man, I'm good, always good, man. Rag, I'm just a call you to give some news.
Yeah.
You know, so my baby father move on. My ex-husband, he makes everybody move on in a rag. And I swear I've never been so happy in my life.
Well, no.
You know, like me, I wait. Hey, Raga.
Yeah.
You know, long me, I wait. Me available still in a Raga. What you say? Why if you want to kick off out of the shoot?
You are available?
How available? Raga, me, I wait long time. Raga, over 3 years, Raga, me, I wait.
Yeah, wait, power.
The man move on, Raga, you think nobody analyze me because them in their feelings. Not me at all. That
right.
Move on first.
Right. Oh.
Wait, yes.
Is that a woman thing when you want to left the man just...
no, woman
thing. No, but what I'm saying is that a thing like from... You want to left the man, but you want him to move on first, no, sir?
Well,
is that...
me no know about nobody else, sir, but me left long time, move out and everything, but you wouldn't leave me alone. But when I said me no want nobody in their feelings and analyze me, because them in their feelings.
When did that? Him did that draw back for you all the while?
I try all the while. He wouldn't leave me alone, stalking and assad. So me give him time.
Jesus.
I'm happy, you know, when me get the news, Lord Jesus, me say I haven't been, me say wait there, I'm the only man in the world we're so happy that their ex moved on.
No, but what was the news? What was the news?
Same time, woman happy, him happy. My phone now ring off again, no stalking now. He happy, Raga. Not even pick me and see me in a business. Lord Jesus, Raga, me happy.
Oh.
Raga.
Yeah. Yeah. So hold on. When them did that, all them 3 years when them did that drawback for you and whatever, some of the time, 1 and 2 times, you did give him just to see if you could have easy man for you, though.
Oh, Raga, you not understand. Give him what, Raga? What you are talking
Nah,
Raga.
enough people, you never squeeze him. I look at one piece like early out in the
Then
3
you
years.
want to get rid of the man when me I squeeze him none far. But you know,
Early in the 3 years, you never squeeze like, say, me just give him and down here, man.
20 odd years, I me walk out 6 months pregnant. Me done.
Damn.
Done.
Oh.
Me want to get rid of you. But as me say, the man in I'm feeling same way. I mean, know how the world run.
Yeah.
We used to go through domestic with him. You understand?
Yeah.
Know somebody was capable of snapping.
Oh, okay, map. That's something there, yeah.
Control of them emotions, you know?
Yeah. Me see
give
you.
him space and him time to grow. Cause nobody not analyze me, let my opinion them because them in them feelings, not me.
Right.
When the man in them feelings, because me I say me and my mama tie him, the way he can't take the pressure no more. Yes, so we tie him. When he can't take the pressure no more because he can't understand one woman to see him with. Every minute about me and my mama tie him. Me not care where you was, sir.
Say you and your mother. Say you.
My mother time.
You and your mother time.
Yes, I want to shake off that girl and he say, Raga, me say, me and her best friend, I should even know. Me and her best friend, I should don't even know.
Yeah.
I feel good, I feel free, my freedom finally come.
See it there.
Free.
See it there.
I move on with my life without no stress, nobody in my ears or no feeling free that.
So well I know. Well, all right then. So during
available for you, available for you.
You available for me? All right then. See. So well I know. So in the 3 years, you never have like a look spooky like we come take care of plumbing and something like, you know.
Brother, I want 1 3 year old. She just turned 3 in June and she asked
then when she did 2 or 1.5, nothing ever go.
No, Raga, you know, you me say the artistic, you know about artistic.
Wally part time.
So even though him gone now, the baby father leave me now, me still can't move on like me want to, like we find a man, but move on with my life mentally, like me not be done with him, but me can't find a man, me go with man, me not find.
Nah, man, then me sure you know if you clean up and thing and you know if you know and whatever. So man, what man I go want you, man? I want me to you.
Not Raga. Oh God, man, look at my page. I'm gorgeous. I'm 43 and gorgeous. You call you what you look me. If you get me already, me call you look. Me call you what you look. You dry. If you get me already.
Oh well, I know. Are you? No. Well, I go when it's a 43, you know, me pick up it when you say. No, you say, but you don't grow me. You don't grow me.
You know, say me free, and that likes me, I make you know me free and available. You know the little
Yeah.
So next week, I call back with something else again. We don't know what, but I always look here when I call. I don't call
Man, you know, she say your call gone like viral. You know, see your call gone viral when I post it.
No, but you know the thing is, Raga, you make me when me know me feeling say I become come by your page. Me can't go live on TikTok. No, me can't laugh. How you there?
No, you mean? No, them like well, me don't know about Pink Wall, but for my page, them on Instagram, Ragashanti page, and over here. Over here, you know. Hold on. In fact, let me see. Me can't. Me want.
Man, me can't go live now.
The people
that come on your page, me get followers, and me see me can't go live.
Nah, the people. Hold on. Let me see where they. I was once a big respect to the people. You know, back in the day when they used to iron on a jean. Oh, no, that one. No. Hello, I was listening to you from I was a child. And I mean, grew up. Oh, see, that's kind of loud over there. No, yeah. But now, man, over the other page, man, on my Facebook page and whatever. You want to hear the woman, I like that woman, yeah. She confident, they talk it up. Yeah. You want to hear them a big up and encourage a free grade.
Man, be up on yourself, but you say the truth and talk the truth. No smart size the man that have. Every time I watch him front, every time I see him, No small fries, me not see that so. Me not ask fries. Like what I say.
But I just want to big you up as a great mother for your child, you know? Yeah. Yeah, well, is a daughter?
Yes.
Okay, all right then. I can't know say autism there are nothing easy. Well, depending on what it is. Some more easier for manage than other, but in general.
Physical ability, all right, but it's the what the word I'm looking for again? The cognitive.
Cognitive capacities are limited in some regard. But no, it can be time consuming and you have to be on your P's and Q's 24/7 and things. So I know that can be quite at times draining and tiring and whatever. But
I'm not gonna tell you something, Raga. I'm not cut you. You see, I know I'm not gonna say this for woman, but when you're being with somebody, would even said that when you require your peace, when you reach a certain age and you require your peace and you attain the peace there, you don't really miss certain things. You know what I mean? So
yeah, it's true.
There. Me not get lonely, me not miss no man for the time being. You understand me?
Yeah, no, it's true. I know exactly what you're referring to.
I'm at a place in life mentally where me not want to let nobody in to come disturb my peace. You know them ones? Yes.
No, when you read certain age to I can't tell it. Everybody who me know in them 99% of people me know in them 50s, right? Anything to do with stress, them in an argument and a cussing, them just okay, fine. People done them and think okay, fine, whatever you say. People are stressed and whatever, okay, fine. You know, people say me a drunk crow, me a dirty dog. This okay, fine. It's okay. Cool.
Disturb my peace and man. As much as so me I look every day, me no come disturb my peace, not a backside. Me work hard with a peace and no thank you, I'm good where it is. I'm good.
But what if me disturb your peace?
No, you're different. I don't do that.
What? What?
You're different kettle of fish. Jesus.
What do you mean?
Me drop a jazz any day, anytime, long time. Virginity, Christianity, I cannot go through the door for you. I go through the door for you. You're an exception.
Hey, I tell you, you're full of lyrics, you know. You're full of lyrics. Are your vibes?
Me, I tell you, say, Raga, you have it to a tea lack. Yeah, man, I advise a week. How are you
well, I don't know we weak.
No, I know how we out there. Me, I tell you, me not ask for
listen, I'm telling you.
Alone, I look for you and I see what me I see.
No, well, I am
telling you. Alone, hear your voice.
Hear what me I say, no.
Something down the man in the boat jump.
Yes, that's not it. No. Let me tell you what. Me a big man reasoning now. Here we are going. You have a whole heap of woman like me, you know, but not like that. You know.
Oh, man,
No. Well, I am telling them. Me, I tell you. A whole heap of woman like me. But any of me go out say, yo, beg you look at them and that. Raga, you brighty. Go from here, somebody take me careless and whatever. And then that put me in my place, man. So.
I want big old dirty thinking what, girl for you. Anything you want me to be, me turn it for you. Big old dirty kill. You may tell us all rules and exceptions gone through the door.
Yeah.
Don't man fool you and tell about you have to wait 6 months or whatever fool should take your place. If once we feel you, we'll drop your jaws anytime you're ready.
No, I know that already. Me not give him a long time.
None of them fool you. Good girl gone.
No, what me always tell the youth them.
That's that kind of man for me.
Me always tell the youth them say, listen, when a woman like you, no confusion no dead, you gonna know.
Yep.
If the woman like you gonna know.
All the same day she will drop it, she feel like we drop it from one she feeling you. I'm telling you, good girl gone through the door, forget herself and all her morals and everything. And that,
but isn't it the case? Yeah, but there are a lot of women who are dead over a man, them love half a man and thing. But No. What me I say is, enough woman would like a man and thing and whatever, but and one game, I just see him and one game, but them not game. Some I don't know, you know.
No, that's not my cup of tea. If reaching on my partner.
What?
Reaching on my partner.
And what happened?
Now you will know then.
No, but well, I no. Me no do nothing with nobody can. Well,
say,
nobody,
wifey,
no woman force me to do what me no want to do.
nobody now force you, sir. Me just shh, can't get age, wifey. Drop it on my
What,
part and you will know
what
about
you
this
say?
mega side. You want to
Me
tell me about mega
say,
side? I'm not going
no
to say me
woman,
don't decide.
no woman can get
Drop
me
it
for
on
do
my
what me no want to do. That woman then a born yet.
me not force you.
What?
Me not even force you. Me just make you know what time of day it is.
Then if you know what me no want to do it, you can't make me do it.
But you not, me never say so. Me just drop in on my part. You know if me shy or not.
Oh, we know if you're shy or not, no.
Are you want to tell
No,
me some shy?
no, hold on. Let me tell you now. Hold on, no. No, but hold on, no. Hold on. When me did younger, you know, me used to do when me used to call, we're going to keep it balanced. So some used to call it sympathy sort out or fear sort out. Right? Fear sort out is when woman draft a man and he may have somebody or him just in the mood or him busy or whatever. But because when woman draft him no want the woman go say she give him and him go say no, him take it. All right? Me used to do that. No, when me did young, me used to do that something. Me not do that anymore. Me not do that anymore. Because, hear my reasoning with it. Me think that people not for waste them sort out, see? Don't do it if you don't want to do it.
I feel like looking at me wise, me a cup of tea, or it could be a cup of tea or something where you find attractive.
What you say, what?
So
What you say?
me feel like looking wise, looking at me. Yeah, it could be something that you're attractive.
No, you know, say all your picture different today. How you there, pan?
No, the picture not different to them. I change the picture. So I whole one, the one there. This is one your modern one. This is age backwards. What's wrong with you?
Then that's why I meant it. So you say age backwards,
yo.
yo.
That stressed me out then 10 years ago. This I know me. This is what me look like now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
What it look like? Oh, God. Raga, I say me glad the man move on.
How month you ban?
April. Me not mind man, I not buy man, but me not go lie. You, me will look here.
You say what?
Me say me not mind man, I not buy man, but you, me will look here.
Well, you're not good for my ego, you know. You're not good for my ego. You're not.
Raga.
All right, me hear what you say, but big up yourself. Here,
I'm gonna call you next week.
Yeah.
I find some other excuse to come look you again. I'm must up in my pants. I'm gonna look out next week to me, Kaba. Not stop trying.
All right. What you say? You not stop trying?
No, I'll see you next week, sir.
And you know, say you're serious?
You know me serious. You know me not joke. I'm dead serious. When me a call you for your show, I tell you these things up. Just gimmicks. If you ever in my part, me will shoot me shot. I'ma feel like me that have
and you feel like it I get through, though.
That's strong, but there's a rope. Me don't rub me. I'm liquid in my arm, so God.
Boy, you know you can't manage. Why if me choke you and them, so?
That's all right. Me don't mind. Let's just say it.
All right.
You know, so a little bit. Me don't mind. Look bad up nice in a raga. Look rough up nice.
All right, big up yourself here.
Yes, all right, darling.
Love and blessing. Yep. You see you next week. I'm blessed up a little one here. All right. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool.
I want me hang up again.
No, darling, I'll hang you up, okay?
All
Here
right,
we go.
thank
Okay.
you, darling.
Yes. Bye. I got you. A sample, you know, it's named Cavi. Cavi, a sample, you know, full of chat, yeah. Yo, a crazy thing she have to say, you know. You understand? You can imagine you as a man a step to she and a give her lyrics and she had clap back and thing. You give him better. Your rhetorical skills are all good for she, you know, because for somebody who full of chat like that, you know, you have to have whole heap of lyrics. Yeah, greetings, good afternoon, good evening, why go on? Hello? Susan said, oh, and Cavi. Chumpy say, Raga, you want choke her. Then chumpy, you know, it go man, some woman know for work with the truth. And not for everybody, you know. Sometimes you have some things what you like, but you may juggle with somebody and you just know, say, you know, it's not with that person, you know. Ladies, you know what I talk about, though. All the man them too, you know. Sometimes you do something and you know, no problem, I do something, but you ain't never juggle with somebody and the person cool still, you know. Yeah, the person nice and, you know, I think, but you just now, feel it, we go up on a certain level with that. Yeah, you know, and everything I know for everybody, you know. You know what I'm saying? Well, you have some people not care, you know, well, yeah. Balance it up, you know. You see? Okay, here we go. We could go over here. So we could go over here. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up wanna have. Greeting. No, man, the choking thing kind of nice. But you have to just know if you do it, because, you know, yeah, some woman like that, you know. Timing is important with that, too, you know. You can't, a certain time you have to choke, and can't choke too hard, you know. I said, Toya, I said, choking nice, bad. Cheryl, you said, I do, LOL. Lala Mama, big up yourself. Yeah. Sham said, I will do the choking. Yeah. Red Raz said, yes, special people only. Yeah, man, certain things are for certain people. And then, you know, there's certain things are for certain mood too. You understand? Austin said, I love it body. Yeah, man. Shelly, it's good to see you. It's a long time. It's a long time, Shelly. Why, Shelly? Yeah, it's a long time, Shelly. Good to see you again here. Michelle Graham said, nobody not choke me. Michelle, I joke, yeah, man. I mean, I think you know what the choking is, you know? I mean, I think you ever experienced it yet, you know? And it's a thing where you have to do at a certain time. And Michelle, when it happens, you don't even notice. If the person know what them I do. And when it done, you say to yourself, but not choke the boy did that choke me. Jesus God, I can't believe it, make the boy choke me and things like that. You don't even notice it when it happen, you know? Ask any woman in there, like when it do good done. You don't even think about it. Me wrong or me right? Let me see what them say. Not Lisa. If you not get choked, it's not nice. More wily. Right? See there, Cheryl say I choke. No, but when it happen, you don't even notice I choke. And somewhere somebody sits up on your windpipe though and whatever and really true. And that's something there, you know. Okay. All right. But when it happen, if the person know to do it the right time, you can't do it the wrong time and it not take, you know. Yeah. You know them look a young boy, they like woman give them a back and as soon as them going, pow, 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 them start slap up a woman them. That's something there, you know. And yeah, when you make the woman them tell you sometimes them give all, you know, run all a little green light pan all man who not too experienced and thing, and as soon as it dog go, whap, 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 wheel up that, you understand? Wheel up bat and thing and whatever. It's a certain time you do it and you have to feel it, man. I mean, you feel it, you the person has one, you have to feel. And if you don't feel it, don't force it. Don't force it. If it did it, you know? Yeah, I think no force nothing, no man. You see, the only time you force something now when you know, when the living room door kind of hard, sometimes look nudging off a go on this, you know? All right. Here we go. All right. I could go over here and bring in some people and things. See? Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up owner. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up owner. Greetings. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
I just want to call you to tell you hi and hail you because a long time I listen to you. I tell my partner here, I listen to Raga from
Yeah, man.
Raga,
Big up yourself, Raga.
from 2000. And you must say, cause at first you must listen to you, you know. What me
Oh,
I
for
tell you,
real?
from you there the radio station, I used to come on 10:30 a morning time. I used to
Yeah,
sit
man.
down
Chat
just to
about
listen
it,
to you.
man.
Yeah, I'm here to
Big up
listen.
yourself, big up it two on you know, big up yourself, my general, large up
Yeah,
man, and
man.
big
Big
up
up
yourself,
yourself.
queen, yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
man.
this
Yeah,
is a share foundation for you because I found them time, them here juggle pan radio at
yeah,
Jamaica, you
until when
see.
I did have a problem with
Ah.
Cardell Green.
Yeah, you remember them war there.
Remember
Broadcasting
everything
commission.
I'm here tell him, yes.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm here telling him, I never called before, never said hi to you. Man, I
yeah.
remember when you come a Wizzy and all those things. Yeah,
Yeah, Wizzy, we big up Wizzy, man. Wizzy Kite Festival, no?
yeah, done.
Yeah, Saint
Yeah,
Anne over Monique
yeah.
side. What the other part that name near to Monique? Yeah. Yeah,
All
that
them
did
roads,
good.
Fairmount.
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
And me I tell him say a long time me I give him a story. I tell him say me remember one time when they kidnap you. I don't want to bring back trauma.
No man,
When they
me draw about it all. You know, some me I write a comedy special and thing, and that in it.
Yeah, I was just telling him about him when they put you in the back, and I cried. I remember when you came on, and that morning I cried, and then
Oh,
and I'm like, oh my God, and all them later because you always have big up the ghetto youth and the
yeah,
youth.
yeah.
I'm just because I'm in Canada now.
Blessings,
Yeah,
blessings,
it's
blessings, blessings,
and
blessings.
she's Canadian, and I'm like, I'm just giving the story of you because a long time, come just a scroll through. I'm see you live, I'm enjoying it, but I'm
Blessings, man.
always like listening to you from them long time there, and all the lady will always call in Miss Thelma.
Yeah, Miss Telma from Fraser's Content in a Spanish Town, man. The whole
Yeah,
of them, man. Miss Telma, Miss Capleton, you know, Miss Ermine, Sister
right.
Ermine, all of them, man, and thing. You know, Marie from Jungle, Edgar Marie, the whole of them, man, and
Every
thing.
time certain time them here listen, we used to sit down at daytime.
And I'm one big man mentor at Jamaica, you know, big man for me, you know, the church and thing. And she said, you know how much people you make careless. I said, what you mean? You know how much people stop them life just to listen to your show and then them life start back after your show done now. Tho-
Yeah.
Those were the days,
I
man.
come in and work them time them so me.
Sure, man.
So I'm like,
Give thanks, man. Bless upon yourself, you know, all right?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
yeah, me don't really
Big up yourself, Lion, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Respect for the
just want
yearlings
to yell
and
up
thing, man,
y'all, let
from
me
the
know say a
two
long
on.
time me know you and yes so.
See it there? Yeah, well, you don't know. We set it, you know, and they enjoy it. You see me?
So now that I know you're live, I'm gonna have to join in. Like I'm gonna have to
No, Mondays to Thursdays we're there, man, from 6 until 9. And sometimes we go later than 9. You know, because them bad me up and I tell me something if you stay late. You want to see them, want to drape me up in my phone and all them something there, you know. So them deal with me over here. All right, bless up yourself. Here,
okay,
sir.
bless up.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
all
Bless
right.
up.
Lion Adam J. Rasta, big up yourself, you know. Here, sir. All right, then, cool.
Right. You have to end my life. I don't
Yeah,
even
man, me deal with it, man. See? Got you. All right, cool. Man thing. Yeah, we just want to say blessings to the people who, you know, sure, you know. Memories, you know, love and respect and thing, you know. Give thanks for that, yeah. But pay with Jews, you know. If people you see all the raga do this thing and whatever, try and know so we pay with Jews and thing, right? We go through it. Many fights and all these battles. You should talk about broadcasting commission and murder. But you remember, you know the song say, you lift him up, you put him down, him bounce right back. What a hard man. Oh, me nah stop. And when me flatten out and think, me I get up and try something else. It may not work, but we a try something else. And if that not work, we go on past something else and whatever. You understand? Yeah, that's how we think said. We a survive around here. We a hustle around here. At the street we come from. So we know that's something they done. And we know if we reconfigure it and apply it to a new space and all these things. Yeah, man. Greetings. Yeah, man. The Sagittarius woman, them, you know, remember me telling about them. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi, good night.
Good night.
You know, I was just telling everybody that I've been watching Raga from I was a little girl till now I'm a big woman.
All
And you
right.
still look good.
thank you. Thank you.
Yes. And I love your voice. Your voice give me a little chill.
Oh, that is so sweet of you. And I'm sure you look a million times proportionately better than I do. So congratulations to you too for how you look. All right. Yeah. And if you're a Sagittarius, that means you have a bad, wild side that you don't necessarily put out there, but it's there.
You know, we have to be wild.
Yeah.
Because wildness is good sometimes.
Yeah. You know, when delivered in the right context, right?
Right.
Yes. Yes. All right, man. Big up yourself, man. Respect for the yell and things, see it?
All right, then. Good night.
Yes, man. You take care here. Blessings,
Okay.
man. Cool. Yeah.
Take me down.
Yes, I will. No problem.
All right,
Okay,
goodbye.
gotcha. Yeah, man. Cool. All right, people. Here we go. Who has some mix up now? That's a mix up now. Anybody who have little blessings to Miss Cherry Wash Belly, yours truly, that would be me. I appreciate it, but you know, have to take care of me too. Some of them want the people them come drape me up and kick me in my face and say them nah get that mix up in the show. You understand? So any little honor and blessings on and for I and I give thanks sweet and thing. But I could see if we can get some mix up now for make a show like get a little bit pepper like last night. Yeah, the show yesterday did good, you know. When the woman who called and said the man thief the sort out from you have that one there. And with that, I will send that. Antasha, I bet you Antasha saying that. Big up yourself, you know. NC Queen, big up yourself. All right. Taiwan. Somebody in the chat named Taiwan? Oh, okay. All right, make we go. See that in there full up, you know. In there full up, man. Want some mix up and thing. So what we are saying? Family secret mix up or any other mix up one, and family secret mix up or any other mix up one. Good evening, good night.
Good evening, Raga.
Yeah.
My name is mix up, you know. I just say big up yourself, come you say listening from them days and come here show that I will keep out a New Kingston way.
Yeah. All right.
Remember those days, right? So big up yourself.
Respect, man, and thanks. Here, thank you. Here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. All right. So I could get some mix up now. I could get some mix up now. Remember I tell them, say, you know, when the show starts, the first call set the tone. You have no control over that. It's like the first call them set the tone, and then it's like the energy they can't continue. But you as the host now, you have to kind of steer it back in a different direction and things. So you remember yesterday the first call it pepper, and from that I wrote some mix up, come on and things, see it. So when I say I saw mix up one, you know, all right? I could get some mix up now. I could see what's going on. Carl Malcolm, big up yourself. Dilly Dally Larger, Princess Anna, you don't know. Everything is everything. Yeah. All right, here we go. Good night. Good night. Hello.
Good night. Pleasant good night to you, Raga. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good too. You know, to be honest with you, Raga, but I was here just telling one of my friends that about you, and I click on the thing, and then you pop up on the screen, and I was showing her to you. I say, you see that man here? Anytime you want to laugh, follow him. So she just follow you just now. So I say, big up yourself, Raga.
All right.
Out of St. Anne, but I live in Florida. Big up yourself, Raga.
Blessings, man.
From Wappy Kill, Philo, from Tambourine till everything.
All right, man. Enough blessings.
Yourself here.
Yeah, man. Thanks and blessings, man. Respect here.
All right, straight.
Love her, and big up your friend and tell her thanks for following me, and I'll do my best to make you and she laugh. All right.
Straight every time, man.
Yeah, man. And if anybody trouble, wanna call me.
No worry yourself.
Oh, all right.
For the night done.
All right, then. Blessings, man. Cool.
All right,
yeah, man. Cool.
Okay.
All right. Family mix-up or any other family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one have family secret mix-up or any other mix-up one have this other thing there, all right? So I'm going to see if we can get a mix up, you know. All right, let's go. Here we go. Bring in. Hello.
Hi, good night.
Hey, good night.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
Listen, my son was a couple months old, and there was a party in the Bronx in Corner Street, and
Yeah.
the guest was Lady Saw at that time.
Mm-hmm.
You was saying somebody come up to the stage, and I went up to the stage, and we was doing some dance where I have to go on my fours. And you told me to go on my fours, and I didn't wait. I went right on my fours. And you said, no, get up. You don't ever wait or ask what we do. You just go on your fours. When I went back and I stand up, and you said, go back on your fours. And we stop me, go on my knees, and I put on my two hands, and I start dance, and you went behind me and start wind up yourself. And when I went home that night, my baby father called me and told me that the baby is not his. Yeah, but I have the baby.
You had the baby,
Yeah.
but when did the baby was?
He said I wouldn't feel because there's no way a man could have told me to go on my four so fast I'm gonna go up on my knee. So for the past 15 years, I took care of my son, and you didn't give me any child support. But I took him to court, and the DNA came back and said 99.99.
But
Yeah.
yes, based on what did happen on the stage, it must say like, I'm me and the father.
Yes.
But why him say that? Because he must say any man tell us if you go on your phone and you go on your phone, then I must see my father.
I didn't know he was in the audience. I went with my friend.
Oh.
And I didn't know he was there.
But this was just people being crazy on the stage from what you described, right? So
when you told me to get on my fours, I just went right away. I don't even ask any question. And you said, get up, man. You go on your fours too fast.
I said that?
Yes.
Okay.
So if you was having a problem, look he have more problems.
Oh, that go? Oh, that wanna go?
You was having a problem because you say you don't even wait until I tell you what to do before you went on your fours. Get up, man.
Well, you know, I think you were just participating enthusiastically in whatever it is that was good.
You know, I don't play that game, you know, when you say come up and you want somebody to dance and do the dance, and you told me to go on my fours, and I went on my fours real fast.
Okay.
And since then, yeah, I've been taking care of my son.
But well, I'm glad the matter was resolved in the court, and that he was compelled to step up to his responsibility.
And I'm happy that you did call me up and let me do that, because if it wasn't for you, I think I wouldn't get myself a wonderful husband at the moment.
Oh, congratulations. Oh, you see how things turn out. Well, sometimes you go through some tribulation to get your blessings down the road, you know, and things like that.
Yeah, sometimes when we think we're doing something wrong and something happened, you know what my Lord has planned. And I want to thank you for calling me up that night. I highly appreciate it.
Yes, man, and kudos to your husband for being the man that he is, so you can speak so well of him and be so proud of him, you know.
And you know, back in the days, you was the man. Raga, he say, Raga coming to the Bronx, I am coming. And when Raga say, come up on stage, me up on the stage, like whoa. But
yeah. But that was the fun thing back in the day. And look at you now, things well balanced out now, and you're so happy and thing, you know, we have to big you up for that, all right?
I'm living fabulous right now, but I'm having a little family issue too.
What's that?
My mom passed away, God rest her soul, 13 years ago.
Yeah.
My dad passed away long time ago, and he gave us a piece of land. The wife gave us a piece of land when he passed away. And when he passed away, she said to my brother, I'm giving you the paperwork because you are the big one. So I said, okay. So I built a house before I was 27 in Jamaica. And I noticed he stopped talking to me and whatever was going on. And then now I wanted a title for the property. And then I called my wife and my brother by my father's side to get the death certificate. And
I think you made a mistake just now. You said you called your wife, but
I'm sorry, I called my father's wife
your father's wife. Okay.
to get the death certificate.
Yeah.
And you know what the lady tell me?
What?
She told my brother to tell me that my dad said that I wasn't supposed to call him father. I'm not his child.
Oh.
Yes. So I must don't know it's 50-year-old. Why your mouth open? You say want to talk with Raga, shut up.
That's just not really a mix-up, but I see what you're saying, though. That it's an issue. It's definitely an issue. But to be honest with you, I wouldn't even know what to say to you right now. You know, at 50 years old and so forth, and think that that your father is saying that. You know.
And then I called one of my cousins to tell her what happened, and she said, "Yeah, man, me know the man." I said, "What?" So I said, "Where is that man?" He said he living in England. So I know the family, and when I realized this family is a millionaire, so what am I supposed to do?
What do you want to do?
I don't know. I don't want to know if I want to know him.
Hold on. So it's really not your father. The man who you know as your father is really not your father?
You know that me I try to tell you?
No, I'm saying, is he really not your father?
Yes, because, you know, when we was growing up, 99.9 of Jamaican kids is not their, you know, their dad is not their dad. And when I was younger, I remember my mom gave me away and I was living in a different district from my original dad, but my sister and my brother was living with them at the moment. And then I remember I was hungry. They wasn't taking care of me. And I cut myself with a machete because I was trying to eat a piece of cake. So my mom came and visited me. And when she came and visited me, my right hand, my left hand was rotten. They were rotten off because nobody took care of it. So my mom took me back. You know?
Okay. So what do you think you're gonna do?
I asked 1,200 and something people. I didn't think they must do. I don't know what I want to do.
Wait.
Yeah.
Give it some thought, and then give some consideration to meeting the person. If they don't want to meet you, then your life goes on, and then you continue with your family, and you're happy. All right.
I am happy. I have a wonderful family. Sometimes things happen to you. God has blessed me with a wonderful family. I make my own family. I have my own thing. I have my own business. I have my own little thing. So it's not like I need anything. It's like it's sitting in my brain, like, what am I supposed to do? And I'm not the only one like this, but I'm saying to myself, I can't believe this happened to me. And then people like me used to talk about other people like, Lord Jesus, they're my jacket. But look at me. I have straight jacket and waistcoat and all kind of eye waters and bell, all kind of stuff upon me. And I used to have people in my district calling me another name, last name. And they was my mom's friends. And I'm like, why are they calling me that name and I'm not that name?
Yeah, these things can be quite difficult and sometimes uncomfortable and a tad bit awkward too, and thing. But I honestly can't tell you what to do with something like this. That has to be your call. But you're at a better state in life now to think about these things for a while and then decide, the best way forward,
But anyways, I'm going to run. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
I can't tell you being wonderful.
Yeah, man.
You're being very pleasant, and I know you can be Roger when you're ready, But thank you guys for listening and have a wonderful day.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool, man. See? Yeah, man. Cool.
Take me down now.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, what do you do in a situation like that? You know, it's when them something come up, you know, you see the way me rank, me not go to nobody. I'm not going to nobody because, you know, so, you know, one of the things them teach you when you're training to be a counselor is like you have to guard and not letting unconsciously, unwittingly, you know, projecting your issues onto your client, you know. And to do so, you have to know where your weaknesses are and what your issues are so that you don't project it on them. I know. So to me, not growing on a father and all them somebody and all kind of things come up and things, but the way me rank and me no care, I'm good, you know. So you have to be careful, so, you know, project that onto others, you know, who may want to know their father and, you know, that type of thing, you know. Wait 1 second, people make others. Just don't take a minute. I just have pull out something and put it in. All right, so we still have not had a mix-up yet, right? And for the next call, I want it to be a mix-up. Yeah, like, you know, that what the lady just now. Yeah, it was a mix-up in a sense, yeah. You know, it was more an issue, you know, like, you know. So I could see if we can get a mix-up now. Huh? Any mix-up, all right? Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up we want to have, all right? Let's go. Hello? 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 All right, here we go. I just wipe out everything in the request box now and start anew. Wipe out everything. Yeah. All right. Just wipe out everything and make us start anew. I'm gonna put this thing up here, so. All right then, to people who will be watching this over on YouTube, I'm about to do something. I'm going to play a song. And you're not going to hear the song because, you know, I'm going to cut it out when I edit it. So you're not going to hear the song. But so the song I'm going to play in the live. But I'm just tell you, for those of you who would be watching this on YouTube and thing, I'm going to play a song. A little musical interlude there, a little musical interlude there. Sometimes we have to do the unpredictable and kind of mix it up a little bit. It's all good. Let me bring this thing up a bit. I think this thing. All right, here we go. All right, back in the juggling scene. Just want to remind you, in a Ragabas Saturday, September 20th, my birthday party, Amazura. I want the whole on the forward, you know. I want the whole on the come and have a wonderful time. And Charm, I got the best phone call from you. This was just so wonderful. I truly know I'm happy. The SDC getting a cabana and things and plans and plans and plans. Yeah. Because we know so we're going to have some unruly neighbors. Yeah. All right. Tall Herb, big up yourself. Right? Sean, big up yourself. Miss Cutie, big up yourself. All of the SDC people. Raga Fretta, honor for Fretta. That me I tell you, you're CBS. That me I tell you, honor for Fret. Okay, because we are bring it. Yeah. Why I'm loving you say blessings, man. All right, watch your ride right now. I need to get some Mixup tonight. All right. Work. I need to get some Mixup tonight. What's that? All right, we need to get some Mixup tonight. So what you right now? Family Secret Mixup or any other Mixup one? Family Secret Mixup or any other Mixup one? Let's go. Let's go. Family Secret Mixup. Anybody a come in or Mixup one for come in with? Hello?
Good evening, Raga.
Good evening.
All right. I don't know if I can find a mix up you're entertaining, but
It's
all
okay.
right. You know, you just come a foreign. Like your family member them file for you. And you have a certain time when them start change them color. You know them
Yes.
ways.
Everybody go through that, yeah.
I get a look at job. So something happened between the family member and the husband will file for me, and you know, them disappear upon me. So it's all right.
Something happened between the family member and the...
We
And
file for me and between them and them husband.
Okay, all right, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So them disappear upon me, and I don't know in New York like that. I just come from Florida and whatever. So I meet one little man on the job and I say, I know my type, but you know, I'm still can.
Yeah, desperate situation. So yeah, you know.
But
So.
anyway, the people then disappear upon me, so never have nowhere to go. So I say, all right. The Mr. Man say, I can take me in. But at the time, him did rent a room. So it was like a big yard, not big yard, like a chill spot.
Yeah.
So back home, my parents them did, my father did have a shop, so I know if I play domino and stuff. So I don't them I play domino and one man walk in there in a Raga. And from me and man, yeah, lick 4 in a Raga.
Connection.
Connection, I said, damn. So I said, but at this other which part the Mr. Man they live, so me care, you know?
Yeah, violate, yeah.
We figure a way to get each other number. So one day,
Yeah.
text and thing, and I said, oh, we're gonna meet up or whatever. So I said to him, said to me, we meet up in the bathroom. So I said, oh, yeah, go do that. So I say, me tell them, say, me want whatever is about.
Hold on. This is happening on the same night?
No, like after me get the number, we have communicate, but I'm not too far, probably the 3rd night or whatever. Cause you know when it's a boy and boy is a girl and skin catch a fire, you just
in them keep on a meet at the same place night after night.
Like him come there to play domino, but you have to stay there with the man.
Right.
Anyway, him take
Well, let's be clear. You stay there with the man because it's in the 100, but you and him a deal.
Right.
You know? Okay, all right. Then,
right. So anyway, Raga, Mr. Man text me and say, him a go bathroom. So first time we meet up in the bathroom, we did a kiss and thing, and them I call him and I say, well, yeah, that's so long, Ray. So it's second time we make an excuse and say, one do a different situation. It's gonna take long. So in purposely pass win the game. Cause domino, man, I get 6 love and them something there. But
because you want to leave the table, make sure say him lose, don't you?
Right.
Because you know who win have to stay at the table,
yes,
you know, man. Yeah.
So Mr. Raga, taking my bathroom and we are going, we were thinking, you know what happened, Raga? If Ph.D broke off a wall.
When I did that.
Yes, Raga.
In the bathroom, though.
Yes.
Oh, so you did a bend over and I wall the face basin, though.
Him lift me up and put it on top, catching Mr. Raga.
And Tasha, make sure Abby not listening here. Okay. Anthony, make sure Abby not listening. Okay. So him lift you up and put you up. I know that's something there, you know. Yeah. But the face basin never depend on like no look. The face basin was by itself, right? It never
was
depend.
by itself, but it depend on the wall.
Yeah, but you can't lift you up and put you up this man. And if him do it, him have to edge it on your buttocks. But anyway, go on tell. Yeah.
Yeah, man. So all in this soap, you know, the soap this something.
When you say the soap this summer proper afternoon.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
I get frightened now, so I say, all right, we have to done, and then somebody and knock on the bathroom door, so I say, you know, yeah, I use the bathroom, hold on, man. And I sneak out before him, and then him sneak out. So when Mr. Man come home now, Mr. Man got shower, Mr. Man come back and say, you know, say, if yes, based and the soap dish, but coffee in the bathroom.
Oh God! And of course, you were shocked and
I was
surprised.
so shocked. I was like,
Yes,
I was
of
like,
course. Yeah.
what could have happened now?
Who could do that? That's why anybody if you bring on your place and whatever. You know, who could have done that?
Who
Sure.
could have done that?
And don't even make you know or say nothing to nobody about it and
Right?
think. Slackness. Yeah.
Raga, he looked at me and then in shaky head I not say nothing. So the next day he left and go work. But me never know say the people them have a camera in the living room.
You know, so I swear to you, I swear for my mother name. A while ago when you talk, me I said to myself, you know, but in them DNA, man, look at camera could have did there or something, you know. But yeah, go on talk, yeah. And where the camera pick up now?
So Raga, he not said nothing to me. So when he come home the next evening, in bed, in coming, in want whatever, me do whatever, and him wear protection. But for some reason, it burst, right? So
Well, but him used to wear it before?
yeah,
Okay. But that night they bust.
it burst.
That night there.
Yes. And then the next morning, him tell me, say, Raga, me can't stay there.
Why?
Wait, no.
Yeah. No, I mean, next.
Yeah, so I call bathroom and I say, you know, say, I want there for it. And he must say, yeah. Them people them say them have camera in their living room and they know, you know, whatever. So I say, when me go now, when me go do come and know if I go me New York, me not nobody and da. So I must say, you know, same him put me up in a hotel. Remember, I just somebody must see I'm a like skin catch a fire.
Yeah.
We're attracted to each other. I mean, I look for nothing, but just right. Test it out.
Right, it happens. Right.
Him put me up in a hotel and stuff like that for a week, and then him say, I don't know where I go do, you know. But here, bathroom messed me up now, Raga. The man came got him friend yard, right? He never know say woman, you know, because him live with the woman. And he
Well, so bathroom live with a woman, but him carry go a yard where him woman dead too.
Yes, that I.
So I want different woman.
Yeah, that I am money woman.
That I money woman.
Yes.
But him never tell us say that woman there, him there with him woman. So that woman they give him money.
Yes.
But him live with him bona fide woman differently.
Right.
What you don't know about.
Yes.
All right, then cool.
So when we go in a tucker o, you know, you know tucker o, Raga. You know
What?
tucker o?
No.
In a Westchester County, man, pass him over and so.
Tucker
it really named
okay.
tucker o for children.
Right, yeah. Yeah,
So,
talk a hoe.
Yeah.
All right, go on. Yeah, hello?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Nice apartment, you know. So I go there and I say, yeah, I go have my own room and whatever. Raga, you know, say. Woman tell me say I need for sleep on the couch because our son come from college and he must stay. So she said I need for sleep on the couch. Raga, me the on couch and sleep. You know some man in there agree.
Man in there door.
Bathroom in there, bedroom asleep.
Well, bathroom I shell out the woman in there?
Yes.
While you outside on the
On the
couch?
couch, on the woman
Same
couch.
bathroom where you and him mash up the sink at the other place where you did there?
This is the woman yard.
No, me know, but me I say same bathroom because you call him bathroom, yeah.
Yes.
So when you out there on the couch, you hear me put on the side out pan
Yes,
in
she
the same shabal out under the treatment, though.
Let me tell you something. Abal, I ball up. You know why I'm a ball, Raga?
Why you bad?
Because I'm in a country. I'm not there Miami with my grandmother, you know. I'm there in New York with somebody who give birth to me, where turn them, just get the paper and go about our business, move out and left me. Now I know where to go, no know what to do. You understand what I say?
Right.
And this reach me, Raga.
So, but you mean the circumstances, all of you, it just kind of flood upon you, like, what kind of life this man live? What,
yeah,
go
Jamaica and come and live. I say, Raga.
And you hear bathroom, that time you remember say your skin, they don't catch a fire bathroom, and you and him sort out and mash up, and you hear him in there put it time for Miss Lady in there, and she a ball out under the sweet treatment,
ball out, Raga.
And that time you out there and I feel hold the couch.
What?
Hold the couch, you're lucky you'd have someone for sleep. Well, now one way you did for look on it, him a fed that put it on, but I sacrifice him, did I make for you, if they pick it up, No, come on, for a shell her out in there for keep her happy so that you can get somewhere for sleep, You know, understand? Yeah, it was all for you. You understand? Yeah, you understand. Him have to take one for the team and thing because him sister boy, and him not put it on Panara and make you comfortable and thing. And she go take set pan and fling you off a couch. Yes. And next thing you out in a New York seat and dog a bite you up and cola take you and all these things and whatever. So it's all about perspective. You have to look upon it, the general did every stroke was for you. Even though whenever you are get it, okay?
But must feel every single one.
Yeah, when you're in there, you remember, I see him, they put it on for me. Me know why she a ball out, And that in there, I say, no. You must sit there on the couch, I wish she a ball out under the treatment. You must say, yes, I know, I was there. I was there.
All it, mama, catch it, that's all.
Yeah. Edge it, that's all. Yeah, no, you better brace because look from this when him start go harder, you go scream out even more, mama. Jan, so you did feel weird out upon the couch with you? You did feel funny, like weird?
But it feel weird because I'm going to tell you why I feel weird. You see, if him just said to me, say, listen, I want to look up books to this, you're in a look up problem, I'm going to make you go stay there, but don't feel no way first to me in the room. But you bring her there, tell her, say, well, actually, I think him tell us, me and her cousin.
You and him a cousin?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
And she put me on couch. White couch, do you know?
Yeah.
And you're in a bedroom.
No, I'm sure I give her heads up.
Right?
Should I give her heads up?
So, it's overwhelming, man, as a young girl. And, and I like say you come without papers. You come with papers and everything, but, like, you never...
But in truth, I mean, you may have gotten the body, but it wasn't your body.
No, it wasn't.
It wasn't your body.
But you could have given me a heads up.
You could have given her a heads up, because you had it on a temporary loan, but it wasn't yours. That was a freelance body. No, so that bathroom it's all about public service for him, so
right.
For bathroom, there are people in need out there, and you do what you can and you work with your strengths. You know what I'm saying? Oh God! But you can't look back for them things in your young age and be like, damn man. And I have to tell you, what for people who know, usually when we do this, we always have a topic when we work with and thing and any mix-up. But is Uno start this thing like back in the day mix-up, when we did young mix-up, that you can call it. And them say they mix up the shot,
Bad Raga,
no, man, since we started the show over here on TikTok, like the back in the day, the Pandy Rap mix-up and all of them mix-up, the one where the soldier man left the woman, the one when him bring her downstairs and thing and whatever, and then when she go back up and knock at the door locked. you remember that mix up there? You remember the one where the woman or the police say, the undercover worker and carry a good out? Yo, no, and then mix up there. And it's when it start, it's like when we did young mix up, you know, that we can call it. Hey, they mix up the shot, man. They mix up the shot. Man, I like, yeah, man, but big respect
I know me not live no life, you know, I have no mix up. I tell us, me can get some story, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
Well, you know, because you see, one time, you know, man, bad, not really bad, because I don't have multiple partners like that, but curious and just want to have fun, live life, and no matter how you're in a situation, you try find a way out of it. So everything happen is so, and then you get taken advantage of too in the process in some way, but a life, you know. And you can, as I say, you can when you get older, you sit down and you just sit down and remember you just have to shake your head and laugh, you know, man.
Yeah. Back in the day. Bless up yourself, man. Respect for that. Here, sir. Here, mommy. All right. Blessings. Here. Cool.
All right. Good night, Raga.
Yeah, man. Cool. Cool, brother. You that? Wagwan Bobo. How the look one? I hope all is well, you know. People big up on yourself and all of my TamFam ladies, them large up on know the levels and thing. Everything is everything. I just want to remind you also, some people that have, I don't even not going to go in it, but we just go to somewhere. Can we talk about that later? I want to keep the momentum up and thing, all right? See, we get our next mix-up. Mix-up where I work with, you know. If you're not coming with no mix-up, I'm going to stop right now, because that our first mix-up we just get and things saying, watch your ride. Greetings. Hello.
Raga, good evening.
All right.
Tracy Bliss. Raga, you don't know what to say. Raga, me get my TikTok get take away.
What you mean take away? What happened?
I don't know. After I done buy my suit and everything, I say Raga time now. After me buy Basha, me no buy ticket yet. I say right, me I go for Raga ya now. Backside, me go TikTok and tell me about how I've been logged out of my account.
Why?
Raga, me don't know if somebody take it where or what, but all of a sudden it tell me say I've been logged out of my account. Me try, me do everything. Me put in the phone number. They say the phone number not registered. I put in the email. I'm a very first TikTok where me did do for a TikTok just come up. So me just go and work with it. If anything, me have to go resubscribe. Call me subscription depend that everything.
Oh, yes.
I don't know what's going on.
No, but what you describe is when people thief your account.
I figure more likely, you know, because the other day it showed me say somebody who I was not friend with like my video. I'm like, but my account is private. So how is that so?
You have all kind of scam out there, you know, all kind of people. You never do nothing. Nobody never send you a fish. PHISING. You never do nothing or whatever.
No, none of that. And I make sure I am very careful because I tell you, for some people who send me requests that once they don't have a profile that I can say that this is the person behind it, I do not accept them. Understand?
No, but what I'm curious about is somebody I say I must say TikTok, because TikTok do it, but if TikTok do it, TikTok will tell you.
I don't know. I can't get it back because I used the email and this is the old one from the first time TikTok come in. This is the old one I got. I used my phone number. They said my phone number is not registered.
No, when them take away your page, them tell you and them say community violation. Them usually tell you. But when somebody thief your page, it tell us, no, you're logged out.
You're logged. Somebody steal it. Then.
Yeah, because I saw the person like change up everything. I don't know nothing with me can went name there because them are gonna change the name now, you know.
No, the inner change because I logged off when I come on for your show. I come off and look for the name. I find it, but you know it's still a time I said the profile private. So if I can, when your show finish, if you know do sub live. Me just try and get it back. If not, cause me do everything.
I'm not doing sub live today.
Okay, so I'll work on that. If I can't, I'll just resubscribe to everything. Man, after me done by here, me watch this, me done by me thing and thing for party. I say me a Congo listen to Raga now. Why? Raga.
Where you buy for party? Outfit
buy me shillings man from head to toe. Me not buy ticket yet, but me want 2 VIP ticket, but not say nothing. Me not say.
All right. So what your outfit?
I buy the shillings from head to toe, not too long.
Okay, so outfit and everything and whatever.
Everything from head to toe.
Yeah, are you sure it fit you right?
No worry, man.
Huh?
I know my size.
Yeah, man, it have a sit down for you.
Shop online because the body the way if we have a couple weeks for either lose the weight or put on the weight.
No, what I say is, you know, you have to make sure your outfit sit down for you, you know.
Brother, may I tell us, man. Body not so young.
Tracy, and your clothes don't look good for him. I whisper in me.
Raga, you know, so me I come right and you come spin. Me I come make a 360 turn for you.
And you know, tan good, you know, me I whisper, I say, yo, Tracy, feel now we are still, you know, but your skirt look chamba for you.
The skirt me I wear, man. Just build up. Raga, me I do something where it show little something and tap the front bottom the stand, you know.
But even I look good, me I say, yeah, man, yeah, I go on and me I say, me and you not dance in a public, you don't look right.
Raga, you know, say, somebody when me I talk to upset with you, me tell him, say, I only born a man this him ever go have and get.
You know, say, you're not going to make man lick down the road.
The man take all my phone, my guy last. The man take all my phone and me a cook and me a tell us, say, man, come in the kitchen and take all my phone. But you and this Raga. In the room, me have to take your phone and come off a show last night because the man begs me, said, he said, you and this Raga. Me said, leave me and my Raga, the only bonner man you go have. Right.
But over the years, me used to it.
Yes, you're used to it,
Me used to it. Enough man hate me. I mean, I know them, I don't do them nothing and whatever. And not over the years.
But you want to come and you bash door, come tell me. So when you go your party and go your things, them you see me, tell us, I want to come back, you go and go enjoy yourself.
Hold on. You know why I want to come, though?
Yeah, that day them me not normally gonna wear me a church person.
Yeah.
Me a Raga bash. Me even serious that me make him help me pick out my suit. Which shoes for go with the dress and which accessory and bag for go with the dress.
So if him want come, you're not gonna make him come?
Want him come and me don't want him come because if I got egg on for me, I'm want to have my free time.
You want to have your fun and dance and enjoy.
Yes, my place and space that.
Yeah.
I come mix and mingle.
Yeah.
I mean, I want to come.
Yeah, I got the general.
And if I say man come and ask me when and which part, so me I idiot go tell you.
So well, you know, think him and listen and know you can't turn
No, in that Raga, you know, like he say too much mix up and go on there, so you get mad and want to take away food. Yeah, but that's why I send me this bag of something. One bag of mix up and I stop sending them Raga and he must say, that's why I send me this one bag of something.
Yo, and it's always there's 3 different type of men who relate to me now. No, you have the neutral man, is neither here nor there when them woman listen. Them not care. It's just like them not have nothing against me and it's neither here nor there with them. Then you have the one them now, like I always tell people that story. I met up on Worthington Avenue one time. And one man I drive and me and the car, whatever, and thing like that. And I tell you, say, you know, when they're Jamaica, I like a firearm and thing. So the way the car goes to irks and whatever, I just back, you know, that's something that I lean up on the wall and thing and which part Charlie Chaplin live on. I lean up on the wall and clutch, you know, and kind of like rest me and down because the way the car break up and thing, you know, and the dog just jump out, you know. So I start look around and I say, where am I go? And him a come, but him having phone in him, man.
Yes.
And him a come down, you know, I tell you, so I get boomy, you know, man, because I say, what is now, my lad? Because, you know, people that tell me, I say, me go through my carjacking before that, you know, so I not take no check after that, you know, anything that before this, and
yeah.
And the dog a come down, and the man, and the me, him say, Raga, Raga, don't move, stay where you're there. I'm in the pan. Him said, don't move. And him there on the phone and me and man, listen what the man saying. Babes, guess who me say?
Yeah.
No, your husband. Are your husband, me say? And then the man goes up to me, Raga, talk to my wife. She love you.
Wow. Me hear you talk about it already.
You hear me talk about it already? How good. The man said, he might talk to his wife and I said, babes, guess who I just said? No, your husband.
Devoted to you.
Yeah, and the man get the phone after him a tell she say him just say her husband. Remember, say up to that point, me don't know who him a talk to, you know. And then the man say, Raga, I'm a wife. Talk to her. I love it for just hear your voice and whatever. And it was just so gratifying to me that this man is so secure in himself that him knows him wife love Raga, love Lisa Raga. Yeah. And him so secure in himself and in relationship.
Raga, like 1%.
No, him just knows a fear thing that and it's a joy if he make her day if she talk to me. You understand? Him break up car and run down in a road, left in car, come down.
Right.
Yeah. And look at my papa papa, me and will fly over a fence. I will fly over a fence. And then now you have one next set of man now. I don't know if you know hear this because she call in and let me just say, when I go tell her, no, she wrong, all right?
Yeah.
So she tell me, you know, so she say, yeah, you know, me and my man fight over you know, and we stab up with one another. So I'm like, what do you mean? What do you mean? You know, him no want to listen to you.
That's all like to me, man.
So I said, but I want to reach a step of one another. All the while, me listen. I tell him, say, I'm my time that when me listen to you, I'm my time. Me no want bad and whatever. And apparently, you know, some woman try to make statement when guys are watch sports at that time, they want it.
Yes.
So she say, him have this bad habit just because when she listen to at that time, he want to start her around.
He want the attention.
Yeah, and she keep on easy man and whatever, and he start war and you know them style me and call me B-man and thing. We are listen to the B-man for whatever and Ray and this and that and thing like that. And she said, well, the time she decided, said, no, I listen to Raga today. And him said, no, you're not listen to Raga. And she said, there was two of them. One him did take the two different ones, you know. One him take the radio and mash it up. And him end up a fight.
And them time they're radio time, yeah.
Yeah, them time they're radio. Yeah, she radio. But the second one though, fear solution, she was like, okay, all right. Him want it when Raga go and me go give him. Yeah. So she said she give him. Still
never satisfied.
One other one, and she give him and dead and whatever. And she said, but him get what him want and thing and end up me and him a war and thing and come box me and when I'm a box him back and him, you know, stab me and I stab him up back and whatever. So me I said, but you say you give him. And she said, yeah, cause him get, come in and get it yet, you know. She said, yeah, cause him get what him want, you know. Him want him get what him want. And then she said, him get what him want and me get what me want. Where wrong with that? The two of we get what we want. So I said, what you mean? The two I want to get what you want. And she said,
she give me him leave her alone.
Nah, man. She said, oh, when we start out, him she said, me did still listen with the thick earpiece in my ears. No, me tell her, me say no. I said, no, you're wrong. No, you're wrong. Me say, respect, say, yeah, listen to me and you go all out of your way for listening, but you're wrong there, so you're going rude there. Me say, you have no idea how you emasculated that man. No, you just make him feel like
the man
nothing.
Was the extra 8 you then don't because of that, you know.
In a fear, man, she still a whole hardened, you know, because fear thing was like, no, me want look a show where I have to listen and whatever, you insist you want to come start me out tonight. So me not work out a situation, you get a start out and me get me show at the same time.
could have do that last night, Raga, but Friday when me did it, he get so mad. Me and this Raga fling away phone. Me tell him, say, don't do me, that my property, that. And when him a do film thing, me not care about it. Leave me and my Raga. And when me one day in my yard, a Raga, me did ya listen to a night time, and a Raga make me laugh, and Raga, the TamFam keep me.
Yeah.
You know, me not argue with my Raga, but when you say a film time now, when me done cook, me just put down the phone one side and come off it, because I don't want an argument. I'm not free there, but when me there like tonight, me happy for myself.
Anytime my show I do well, me not take no check from no man on road. Any platform I go upon, you know, when you look on the metrics, you know, 65 to 70% of all of my listeners are women.
Yes.
Right, women. It's hard, No, enough man listen. No, well, yeah, it can't, well, for TikTok, it's like 65, 60 something. And to be honest, though, what happened to is that a lot of the foolishness when you know, a lot of the issues where men used to have, like, even 15, 20 years ago. I wonder if a man mature now, you know.
Yeah,
I want if a Jamaican man, yeah. I want if a Jamaican man, yeah, them no, you know, you're not retentive about certain things anymore. And them, you know, something that used to bother them back in the day and whatever. So enough man kind of easy, you know, and, you know, and make certain foolishness bother them.
Man, why Raga bother you? And you say a mix up shoe, but you want to come a Raga bash.
Yeah.
No, that's not right. You're not coming back on me.
No, let me tell you, just like, let me show you a thing. I always explain this to you then. Women have a thing where she will see her man or her husband and 5, 6, 10 women around him all over and it not bother her. And next time she will see her husband or her man around 30 women. And all of a sudden she don't like the one in the blue skirt.
Mm-hmm.
And why you pick out she? I don't know, I just not like she.
Your spirit not take.
I just not like that one day.
Yes,
and I know. And sure enough, you know, I had one day either hell been forget the man, I had one day me involved with her, one day I flirt with her, whatever. But women can pick out that something there, you know.
Yeah.
It's like you can't feel it. I find that men now, since, you know, I find that men are training themselves to do that too.
Yes.
Yeah. Man no can't pick. So, no, you know, something I like that boy there. Him especially. Yeah.
Me not know, but man, I think women are overprotective, but not for them man here nowadays.
Yeah.
Them sensitive side I get the most of them.
Oh, for real?
Why you think they're being this abusive?
Well, no. Part of that is because women have stepped up their game. You see what is going on the internet out there? Like, we don't need men.
No, me I did one of them person in a Raga because me I tell you the truth. Me I did one of them independent lady ever work, ever carrying me thing. And if me live with a man, I always a come in with my thing. Make sure so me depend on my A game. Me no depend on a man for pay the bills, for provide the food, for do all of that. You understand me? So I was one of them.
Well, a lot of men they're having difficulty with, you know, the modern independent woman and thing. A lot of men.
And it made them insecure.
Very insecure, and especially Jamaican men who their primary complaint is, yo, them women are come a foreign and them change. You know, them come a foreign and them change, and you know, very, and things like so. A lot of men are having problem dealing with the modern, independent, self-sufficient woman. You know, who, you know, yeah. Hey, nowadays, you know, I think we come on out the road, you know. And me as a man, I tell you, and my male friend them say, yo, what going on with the woman them? Yo, I come and think now for a woman just up on a man. I say, you know, something like you and whatever, I want one for you, I don't want to deal with you. Well, them say, I want one for you, but I don't want to deal with you. I just want one for you, no more. Hey, you have if a woman, I saw them a roll now, you know.
True, Raga, me not like. Me want brave suckers. Me think about it enough time if my pass a man I like a man. I just want to go up and say certain thing to him. But me at the old school. But me see people, me know people would definitely do that and say, no strings attached, me just want a liquor for you.
Yeah.
I just
Yeah.
want to experience you and that's it.
Exactly. And them serious when them say, no, I don't want to there with you.
Me tell us
I don't want to there with you. I don't want to there with you. I
think
just
about it,
want
Raga,
one
to
half.
be honest, because there, you know, sometimes you see somebody, you just want, I know lot. You just sit down and wonder what it would like to
What it
really.
would be. No,
Yeah.
I found a thing that, you know, what it would be like. If
But you know, in the old school days, them are going to say, yo, a dog, you be fair, go through somebody like just want deal with them, for deal with them.
Yeah, but you have a group, as class, a woman, they don't care what you think. You can think whatever you want to think.
That's at the
Yeah,
90s, 2000s.
them no business. You have some woman out there, if them like it, them a step to you.
A true Raga.
Yeah, them a tell you.
When I propose to man, I'm not lie. My friend, me old school. If him until the day he come tell me say, all when me love him, me not tell him married to me.
Well, and so if you're single, you see a man and you like a man, you wouldn't step to him and say, you know, something like you.
No, you see the guy me I deal with no Raga.
Yeah.
Me and him know each other for over at the time before we start over 3.5 years. We work together.
Yeah.
And me like him, I tell her say first day the guy step foot in my workplace, me I tell her say my glisten, me like the youth. And me go around him in a Raga, I feel him out, you know, listen to him conversation, the type of people when I see him talk with, everything, we become neighbors, all of that. And me never know say they like me, so me never one day say nothing. After me and my husband split up, separate, all the while in terms of what I go on nearby one, this, that, I never take him serious. And we sit down and talk about it lately. We together for 5 months now and him never want no commitment or nothing. And we laugh and talk about the past and when we did like each other. I say, you see it? Shut mouth now, put you nowhere. No, me sit down there, me not say nothing. And he make the move.
So but you are one of them who do what most women do when them like a man, them send signal. Hold on. You walking in my you do that something. Yeah.
I'm glisten on my beard and come out fresh. I mean, I'm a car, I'm a play certain music and drive past me, I'll park up and get. Raga, I'm walking in here.
No, well, that is a traditional thing. The tradition, and then now you have the like a man look, you know. We call it the like a man look. It's like say a woman there somewhere and she like a man and say the man over there, so this is what we wanna do. You watch the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what woman do sometime. So the man that over there saying they wanna do that something. Man. Watch, wanna do that something.
Yeah, man, why your face long up so like you eat the
No. And if the man get the in them, pause, you look at it and give him a small smile sometime, like, I, Mr. Sorry, and I see me send a signal, make you move now. So if him not make you move, you get a little extra and it will come so.
Raga, you know, say them the people
When you do something like this.
Flashier.
Like, I look a subtle thing, you know. And you as a G, you have to know and say, yo, the signal did it, you have to screech and go whisper in our ears one of me.
When some man ignore them little something they see, Raga, and you're out there, give them the little eye and the little side eye and the little smirk, you know, and them ignore you, you know, me have to wonder if I want be man.
Nah, I guess what you just do? Hold on. I'm going to keep it 100 with you now, if you don't mind, all right?
No, man, go on, man.
All right, then. You see what you just say? You say you wonder if you want to be man, because you send him the signal, them down. All right. Follow my logic now. And usually me just ignore woman, but me say follow my logic now. Chances are, the man where you are look upon, are you alone, whatever you find attractive in him, are you alone, you think, see that in him?
No.
All right, then. So if I know you alone, that means other women see, don't it?
Yes.
All right. And if other women see it, You think of one other woman or several other women?
My whole heap. He probably go through it daily.
All right, him go through it daily. All right, so if all of them other women there basically I send the same signal to him where you are saying, right? Can that man be with all of them women there?
No, reasonably enough as I'm a
He cannot be with all of them women there. So inevitably, just like Uno, when on the road man I look on all the while, you can't go chat to the whole of the man them down.
True, Raga. I mean not go say a lie. That's
Right.
so
So for men, for a lot of for some men, you know, we're like, why them can't understand that? And then God forbid, sometime a man in a relationship and them don't want nobody either.
Then I look on it that way, they like
you understand?
Yeah.
But what you see the woman them who mean like now, you know, like you be honest, I keep it 100 you see what you just do. You see if a woman said that to me, I cut her off. Yeah. I cut her off because what she basically I say is it's so much about her that she's being egotistical in it and she must get what she want. And if she don't get what she want, then she start demonize you.
You know, Raga, to be honest, all the women think that, but guess what? The logics where you just put, we are going to go further and say, probably have more to it. You know, as you say, but we women... What
I say for we men, is like, that's why I put it another way. You see what you just do? Just think about it now. If man a thing say, oh, she'll look me, and if me not reciprocate, she'll go think me a batty man. Jesus. Me go say it. TikTok. Oh, damn. I shouldn't say, you remember the last time I say it and then them come say,
yes. All right, what was it?
That wasn't meant to be derogatory. It was, I don't even know that right. The algorithm not gonna listen to that, you know. People, my bad. You're not supposed to say that word here. They know TikTok, the algorithm know that word's a derogatory word, so I look out for it now and think, right. The problem is,
everybody has the F one.
No, yeah, but I think when you do it, you get punished, you know. Them not tell you, you know, but them just kind of reduce
after
it.
life, you get a notification, so you get a strike.
Yeah, no, it's not a strike, but what happened is them kind of clamp down on you.
Oh.
Yeah, like when you go live, you get a little bit of people. So nobody said a word there.
They use fish.
Yeah.
People outside.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is like so the man them who, in my opinion, weak. I mean, I like made it weak to one time because them no one woman go say exactly what you just said about them.
So the flirting man, them are weak, they're weak, man.
No, you're not listen, not flirting. But I just I say is when a woman want a man and the man not reciprocate.
Yeah.
And she said, I don't know if you ever hear Jamaica use this term, which is it's really what so which man say no to front. What wrong with him?
At that the age that we live in, come from, where we always wonder which man I give up front, which man I
right. No, but the woman who is saying this, she have 200 man a look her and a run her down on the road and she don't want them. And she get annoyed when the man them just a pressure and this and that and whatever. So she have the luxury for reject people. But no man not supposed to reject she if she want the man.
Right.
No. So at the same time, though, I must also explain that you do have a set of women out there, like they may like you and send a little signal to you or whatever, and even reciprocate, them have the maturity. Whenever, so, well, probably I'm just not this type. I'm not interested in me or whatever, and that's fine.
The more mature me, I would say back then, because
back then, right.
Back then, me would have wondered this man a gay or something, because you sit down there, give him all of the years, the signal. I'm not giving a man a signal so easy again, because I'm not like, I love my peace more times, so I don't really jump up for nobody if you come running for me.
Nah, but you know, for understand, say, you have man where, particularly, you know, some man who been there, done that and whatever, and I'm not running up and down. Them may be fun and flirtatious and thing and whatever, but you have man who just don't find it attractive or even wise to be sleeping around, you know. Right? You know, let me tell you something. Any man you see out there with 5, 6, 7 women and a brag how much woman him have, that is a man who is not giving those women the time they deserve. That is a man who not satisfy them woman there with certain things. There's no way you can do it. I know a certain Jamaican entertainer, very popular, I don't know him, but him name not recall for obvious reason.
No, don't.
So the two of we do a show together. And then when the show done now, and we there at the hotel, because the promoter put you at the same hotel, a man back out a paper. And me see dog a tick, and me I say, how we do this? So? And him say, boy, me lose track, you know. So I look on the paper and I say, are you woman them there? Him say, yeah. And I say, hold on there, I check a 9 me check, you know. A 9 me check, you know. So I say, so the list where you have, you know, him I say, no, because sometimes I forget a over time, no.
Jesus. Say, but you have a journal.
Yes, the man have a little schedule thing. Like him I say, a Susie week that time, you know, a Susie day. And him but what I'm saying is, if you have 9 women, first of all, is the type of person who mind him woman them. So him a mind 9 women. And I happen to know so him don't have money like that. He make money with him thing, but him don't have money like that, right? So him have 9 women, right? So we know of a very popular DJ in Jamaica, 90s DJ, right? Oh, him have whole heap of woman and him put all of them in an apartment and I pay the whole of them apartment and furnish out an apartment, whatever, this and that and rare. And when I take one visa, I never have no money and whatever, and it was a running joke in the entertainment community, like, you know, all them women there, all them years, they my hype and I mind them 9 women there, look, they know him not 59, but you know what I say? So him now with him 9 women, right? Him have money, you know, but him not have money like that. So him have to mind them, separate from minding them. There's no way you can have a whole heap of woman and give them the attention what woman want, you know?
Yeah.
So it means most of them women they have them affair about you.
Raga, may I tell us something? You remember when me did give you the dog rating story and tell us the very first when me did pussy with?
Yeah. You did give that one there. Yeah. I'm going to tell you, say, well, it wasn't your man because the dog never know you. Because the dog at the man yeah, didn't know the other woman. And when you go to the dog want bite you up and all you talk about a your man, it wasn't your man because the dog never know you. When you have dog ratings at the man yard, you know say your man that. Yeah. Yeah. But what yeah.
Yeah, him talk very good. Very good. We're almost best friend. He's still a look it still, but me tell him say me not go to say, you know what say. The amount of woman he have, me I tell us straight up. Me tell him say me don't know how him do it because one day he text me, one night he text me saying, Annie, and me say, yo, man, dog we have too much yard for heat or for feed, always got bed hungry. Because the amount of woman we have. And we laugh over it in a Raga because I see you something. He have couple women well around him. And he saying, honey, and he saying text one of them, I remember say, he must tell her, say, no bother. A joke him a make because that one the head not so good. You understand me? So he say just go in bed, yeah, man, because I mean laugh after him. I say you see it, you have so much woman, that's when you really want something. You not have a good woman by your side to say roll over and take you with.
Well, yeah.
You know Jamaican term, dog we have too much yard,
too
much yard and yam. One day, everybody now go cook because they go say have that the yard they figure eat. So he might go bed hungry.
This world we live in and have to navigate. No, but you know, just know, say someone just at that stage where them don't care, them don't want to run up and down, you know, them still want to do them thing and whatever and quietly, but them not, you know, the 10 million this and that and whatever because, you know, it just not.
Too much straight. Woman still, although some of we woman, you know, we just want to say little count, you know, we not greedy, you know, we just want to say give you a little thing. You know, a little supermarket money, just the effort for know say give a little thing, and so some of we woman stay. So what we are saying? So yeah, I like your friend. Well, not your friend, but I like the person you talk about now. And you say you don't know how him do it, but him just want to know. Them no complain, them no murmur. Him schedule him time and give them, and him find little money and give them. So everybody did kind of alright until things stop happening for him. And I trust
Exactly.
me as him drop, so them are drop him like hot bread and gone.
Exactly.
So me
Exactly.
not see all them focus on a 5 and 2 woman, but why? Cause enough man a talk about fresh meat for. See ratings now pan chumpy how long chumpy and fee woman there. Eh?
Yeah.
And chumpy woman make chumpy settle down. With that curry goat. Rockabye.
All right, that's our word, man. Big up
And
yourself
just
here.
get 2 VIP ticket for me pay for me can't do it this, me can't do it before month end.
Okay,
But I got the food already, so no
that's
worry.
our word, man. Lock
Yeah
and
man,
seal,
bless
man.
up.
All right, your
Good.
VIP ticket, them
Elaine,
lock. Yeah,
my
man.
dumpling nice with the milk. Leave me alone. I
All right.
sweet this dumpling.
Yes. Yeah. We forgot to take care of that. Elaine beat you about your dumpling, them and boy
Yeah,
you in the
man,
milk.
what you mean that bigger up and never remember her name, but me nah like Elaine, you don't know you're the G.
That's
You're
right.
next to Raga, Elaine. You sit beside Raga.
That's right.
Love your Elaine.
One alien too
One
cute.
Elaine too cute.
Foundation.
And not this Long
That's right.
Island. Raga, see ya, take care.
All right, Tracy. Cool, man. Blessings. Cool. Okay. Family secret mix up or any other mix up we have. Family secret mix up or any other mix up we wanna have seen. This is the thing, the family secret mix up or any other mix up we wanna have. Alright? Let's go. Bring in somebody else.
What was the bill?
Hello? Hello?
I'm already still stuff
Hello?
before that.
Hello?
You're gonna have to bring it up.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Thank you.
Hello? Boy, sexy Nisha, they make a beer nice in her phone and she not.
Jesus, I mistake that. Lord
I mi-
Jesus,
I missed it. All right then. All right. Watch your finger. You have to be careful where you put your finger, you know. Here?
Okay, yeah.
All right, cool. All right, people. I'm going to check on the phone now and make sure. Hold on. What did I say a while ago? Let me read what this person is saying in the chat. Raga, I think a curse on me. Because I need a man for myself, but I beer people man takes it. Ladies, why not always do that? Why not always do that? I'm going to talk to you now, right? I'm going to keep it 100 with you. You see what you're right. You say, Raga, I think a curse upon me, right? So you don't position yourself, so something going on. He's a victim, and he's a victim. And then you say, because I need a man for myself. That is one phrase, one stanza there. Then you have the transition. But a beer people man takes it. So basically you're saying you have a problem. You want a man for yourself. But you can't get a man for yourself. Because according to you, it's only people man that takes it upon you. Raga go keep it 100 with you, yeah? No feeling of you still. Are you a pick people man? Are you a pick people man? Here? You see what you say people man that take set. So in other words, your options will come to you is always people man. But is you a pick from that lot? And as usual, I am 100% sure. Again, Minister, keep it on. I pick for you. I am 100% sure. You have man where look you where is not people man, but you don't want them man there. You're not attracted to them man there. If people man a take set upon you, it means say other man who want a people man a look you. But what you're saying, without being explicit, is that you always choose people man. They can big up yourself, they can just sponsor. So I'm not judging them. I just say, if you keep phrasing it that way, you're not holding yourself accountable. And you're essentially repeating the cycle and whatever, thinking that it's not you doing it, it's some other force out there caused this thing to happen to you. I guarantee you, you have man who look you, that is not people man, but you're not attracted to them man. So that's how you have to start from and just accept it and say, why you always choose people man? I tell you what you have to do, if you want, if you feel happy, I deal with, you have woman who happy, who consciously say, no, I don't want a man, he must deal with somebody else. And I'm happy and I'm cool with it, but I'm accept it. Say that is their choice. But what you're saying here is, I'm cursed. You say, Raga, I think I cursed upon me. Raga, I cursed upon me. Look like somebody who be me to rat in me not understand. I want my own a man, but I pay people man always a take set. You're picking them. There is something going on with you where you are attracted to, or you get whatever it is you want from man who there with other woman. Whether you want to just accept that and then work with it and be like, this is your thing, then fine. Or you want to stop that and go get your own a man. I'm going to be 100 with you. A lot of women who used to just deal with people, man, and thing, when them get them whole man and thing and whatever, they get bored. So you have to go even check yourself this or two. Right? Yeah, them cola champagne. Bring her in the box, Raga. We want to hear the rest. Like, with something like that, she have to come in at the box. You know, put people on the spot that way. I am your big brother, I am your counselor, right? So, yeah, you keep it 100 with you. So you have to go on, B. And Jenny I take her around. Jenny take tell, yes, are you like drama and I mash up people life? Yo. So Jenny, I make her move to her. So shots fired. Shots fired. Security. Right? I want to leave her alone. She attack, right? So make me take her around. I don't want to come war her. Una don't war her, right? Una don't. Soft lips, Raga. Una don't war her, right? Leave her. Make me take her around. Make her big brother take her around, all right? Yeah. All right. Let me take her around. So B, you choose them here, and there is something that you're getting from it. There is something that you enjoy with it, but you have conflicting feelings about it because somewhere else in your mind is like, I really shouldn't be living like this. Or would it be happier if me just have my own man and not have to worry about the other woman with the man them I'm there with? So there's that side there that you apparently are not comfortable with, or you just, I don't know, you're probably at the stage of your life where you want to know what it would be like to settle down with your walla man, you own a man and whatever, but you can't get it both ways. And the challenge for you is going to be that even if you do what you would say is the right thing, you find a man who is, who is devoted to you, who loves you, who is taking care of you and whatever, would you be comfortable with that? Right? You have a good think about that, because I can't tell you. You have some woman transition in it, and be like, thank God for from when I want my walla man and he's perfect and them good. It's like them go through this, I date people man for a while, and I meet somebody at the right time who move the right way and know if we deal with them the right way and gel with them in terms of them personality and thing and just have that connection there and then be like, great, get the right one. So that could happen for you too. But you have to want it. So this conflicting space where you're in with these contradictions where you say, boy, Blissfully Beauty Saloon say, Kelly, if you go take with Jenny, man. Yeah, since Jenny I moved to her, do I banter her, no. Kelly said no. All right. But, you have to come to terms with that here. You said, people man a text it, you are choose them. Because even if a people man a text it, it's still your choice whether or not you're going to talk to them. But you can't make it be like, oh, those are the only options there. It's always people man, like, I really want my own man, but me not see no own man out there. It's always people man that come, so I have no choice and whatever. It's still your choice. All right? Simone Wilson, Pretty Body Ragga. Yo, nobody, I'm gonna broke up Miss Cherry Wash Belly. Kimara, subscribe, okay. Oh, and subscribe to my page, if you can. Support the page. Support this, what I'm doing here. Support my show here by subscribing, okay? Yeah, I want to subscribe. I want 1,000, 2,000, 10,000 subscribers eventually. That's probably like years down the line. But yeah, right? You know what I need to set a subscriber goal. Queen Nash, Kimberly, and them people who understand where I'm going. I need to set like 1,000 to begin with. It's like a 200 and something right now. Oh, by the way, people, TikTok take out like 60-something%. It's crazy. But anyway. I said this, one of the best show, if you know a Raga late night show. Oh, let me tell you now again. Cause I feel bad because I have some people who are good behaving people, let me know. But so again, for my subscribers who don't know me as well, I used to do a show called Out of Order. And Out of Order was a sex entertainment talk show. And it was a platform that I provided for people to just speak freely about matters related to sex with a healthy infusion of humor and all grounded in a Jamaican Caribbean culture. All right? Kimara sent 5 subscriptions just now. Big up Kimara, she sent out 5 subscriptions. Thank you. The people that get subscription from Kemara. 5 people just get subscription from Kemara. On a big up Kemara right there. So Kemara, enough thanks here. Enough thanks. Enough thanks for sponsor them people there, all right? Mad thing. Okay. So when I say Sham's Kitchen, I say whatever. So in those shows, the people them speak frankly. Now, I know there are people who can't manage that frank talk. Frankly, me used to it. I grew up with it, right? The Jamaica me grew up in, the ghetto where me grew up in. That can be like nothing. But I know it can offend the sensibilities of others. What was good about Out of Order, though, was that people could listen in privacy and nobody, not for no, so they're indulging in something that them friends or whatever would think is just so disgraceful of you or whatever. And in the sub-lives that I will do over here, I'm going to play excerpts from Out of Order. And we did Out of Order for 10 years. So we have tons and tons of Out of Order shows, right? So I'm going to be playing excerpts from Out of Order in the subscription lives, and we're going to have discussion about them and people going on. Secondly, in the sub-live, subscription, people who subscribe, I'm going to give people more latitude to, to speak more freely when they're talking about matters relating to, sexuality and sex, okay? So I'm just preparing some of you who are supporting me over here to say some of that content is going to come up only in the sub-lives, subscribers live, okay? So just prepare yourself for it, okay? All right? So when you hear it, it's going to be raw and in your face and can be somewhat abrasive to the sensibilities of some people. And I know some of you have a particular understanding of Christianity that doesn't, accommodate, the discourse of that nature. So I'm just forewarning you, I don't think it's ungodly. I am one of those people who think that people confuse cultural constructions of taste with what God wants or what God don't want. Okay? And we're not getting into that, right? Let's just say there's a lot of other cultures out there where matters related to sex, they're very open with it and things like that. And they are God's creations too. But many of you don't understand that this whole thing, this discomfort with sex, and you're not supposed to this and that with sex and talk about sex and whatever. Many of you don't know that it's a hypocritical cultural construction from Western Europe. That's where it came from. All right? But we don't really understand the etiology of those things and whatever. So I don't have a problem with it. But I know say someone on a avid say, oh, on a Christian, so I don't know if you talk about sex or listen to sex or listen to whatever and whatever, because that is ungodly. There's nothing ungodly about it. Is it distasteful? It could be distasteful based on cultural norms, not religious norms, cultural norms, right? But it has nothing to do with God, right? But you're taught that it has something to do with God in Jamaica, right? And you are now regurgitating those principles that were indoctrinated in you because you think they're universal when they're not. But anyway, so again, in the sub-lives, I'm preparing you all, so there's the one just go do it. So I'm preparing, so when I hear it in the sub-live, when I have the opportunity to stay and think. But at the same time, I still want to support me. I'm being very open and blunt with that. Because I would love to do this as like my job, because this is fun. I would love to do this as my job. But for me, really, the money where I make right now with my consultancy in anthropology, as a lawyer, with my travel club and whatever, for me, make the money there, so would have to have like 10,000 subscribers, But if I have 10,000 subscribers here, sir, I wouldn't do immigration law. I would still have my travel club because that is fun. And I wouldn't do my anthropological consultancy because when I do that, I wear a very different hat, and it's a different form of professionalism. And it's this whole world of academia is about theory and methodology. It's about theory, the relationship between variables, and then methodology, how you conduct research and things like that. That's cool. But at this stage of my life, if I can't do without do that, I don't want to do them something, I want to laugh every day. I mean, an apology for that. Would I love for just get up and laugh and joke with people every day and get paid for it? Would I prefer to do that because people enjoy me and me enjoy doing this. And when me do it, I enjoy what me do. You understand? So there's a reciprocal grace and exchange there, So if I could do this, I would do this and just this only. But I would need like 10,000 subscribers. Is that, yeah? But I'm willing to wait and build that, All right. So y'all have been forewarned. Okay. Family secret mix-up or any other mix-up. What go on turkey good as?
Me there.
Well, I'm going to sing a song for you. You light up my life. You bring me joy. Yeah, if anybody trouble you, call me and war them for you. Yeah, me no meet you, I'm a friend. Okay, that me I tell you. Here, what go on, boo-boo?
Boy, Raga me there, but I don't call for you and mix up in a Raga. But
Okay.
me so one madman attack me this morning, me I go walk in a Raga.
What you mean? What him do? What him do?
Me a cross the road and the man walk up to me and say, hey, girl, you know your man a call you. We want broomstick in a Raga.
With a broomstick in there, man?
Yes, Raga, with a broomstick in a hand, Raga. And I see one little piece of stone on the road and I have to drop a little piece of stone and if easy man for me in a Raga. And tell
Damn.
Satan I use the and kill him, but he look stone couldn't lick him kill him. He just take up a little stone to get him rid of him off of me.
Jesus.
They need to take them mad people off of the street because about a month ago one of them fling one broom after one next madman in and he can't lick me cousin in her foot, you know. Raga weeks her foot black and blue, you know.
Damn. True story. Ochorius. You know the gas station which part all of the bus them come up at the roundabout, right? For go up to Spur Tree Hill. You know out this, right? At Ochorius. You know this, right?
Spur Tree at a
No, not Spur Tree. Where did somebody soon post it? Not Spur Tree. I don't know where go. Spur Tree, no Manchester, whatever. Where the thing will lead up to Walkerswood, this name again? Fern Gully. Right. So, but you know the big roundabout in Ochorius, right? And one gas station there to the left, like you go back a country, right?
Yeah.
All right, yeah. True story. A lady, she have on a short, you know them short mini jean skirt there, right? Mm-hmm. And good as round, you know, we said like round like mudfish and thing, and girl said good in a man and whatever. And she have on, you know, you can know, she knows she look good because she dressed in the, you know, figure hugging outfit. And the jeans suck on pan her, you know, the jean skirt suck on pan her. And me never did see her first. Me just hear when people scream out. And then them explain what happened after. But when she scream out and thing, and me and the many other people there, when we flash around our end, is a madman. We see her push her down, you know. Like a push her down in the ground. Because she a ball out now, you know. Because so I see what happened before, you know. But when she's ball out, I will look around. The madman a push her out, you know, with something out and I push her down and I, you know, and I pull her panty aside. Yeah, right out there in the public in front of everybody, you know. You understand? And then the man them rush him and beat him and thing and whatever. But what did happen, you know, he must be there watch her and she have a bag and them say she bend over. I mean, I laugh because it's not funny. But she must go bend over now and do something with the bag and cut the bag up on the ground and she in the short skirt.
And my man go see run a back.
And the man they go see the 10 pounder sitting there and whatever. And even in a so-called mentally disturbed state, a man just run over, you know. And then him actually pull her underwear aside, you know, and go and a force at the end. But he never get in. Mm-hmm. But him a force right at the entrance, and then the taxi man, them out there, and some, I think one key, you know, and people at the point to rush, and then, you know, a brother rush up and fly up and kick him in his chest and thing, and then them move down and beat him and thing like that and whatever. But that's just scary, you know. You know, so when
me frightened this morning, you know, because I never expect say a madman will rush me in a Raga. And me a woman always have one little knife in my bag and I don't know how me left in a Raga. Ever have one little him knife I can flick in my bag. And Mr. Raga me left the knife. And me tell me say a Raga, if he didn't lick me in a Raga, me nah lie now, you know, what me gonna do in a Raga, me can't talk on the ear, you know.
No. We know enough about you if you know say you'd take it to him with the knife. We know say you'd take it to him with the knife.
Raga, me say, he will escape the judgment. Because Raga, when they lick you and do you anything in the government, so them answer on my not come out it, you know. And then not take them off the street. Now, Mr. Raga, every day na man devil in the next madman. You see new madman so till you wonder where they come from.
Crazy, yeah. You know, and unfortunately, we as Jamaicans, we know that, you know, people we call madman and madwoman and things like that. Them, they all over. But let me ask you a question. Why is it that we see more madman than madwoman on Jamaican street? All our lives, that it has always been like that. More madman than madwoman. Than what we call mad. Right. Why is it?
Man is more mentally fit than man, you know. When we sit down and pull through, some man can pull through it, Raga. And some of them trouble people things, people who are them, set them mad. Some of them in a relationship, you know, walk out, then take it too hard. Family member take over what they have, rob them, all different type of something happen to them, Raga.
Right.
All different type of things
but
in life.
What you think about the meds, you know? Because I was one of them who the exact analysis that you just used, I used to be there too. And then after a while, when I start learn certain things about gender, you know, and the weight when them carry, do you think that part of it also could be that the weight where society say man for carry and thing like that, is it the resources in society for men carry them weight there?
I mean, not think so.
You not think of that? Okay.
No.
You not
I
think
mean,
of
not think so. Cause right now, to be honest, me feel say woman even carry more weight and burden more than man today. To be honest.
No, in some respect, yeah, you know, children and stuff and all them something there, whatever. And then even economy, enough woman raise them pitney by themselves too and them thing there, whatever.
I
So
say right now, if we not turn up strong, me talk about Jamaica when me know.
yeah.
Raga. Mother said, I talk about the younger ladies them, Raga. 3/4 of them young lady here we get pregnant nowadays, Raga. They are mentally strong, Raga, because as they breed them and them run gone. Raga, me don't know if you worries whether them are the right pooper, jacket pooper, sperm down, and me don't care what they want call them as a pooper.
Yeah, no, hold on. But you, yeah, but what I'm saying to you know, one of the things I think we don't fully appreciate, and I heard it from some of my male students, and that is when I started seeing it, whatever, is that society is set up in such a way where, in terms of the man, them responsibility, there are things where men do where, like them doing, if you get thanks feet, or them not forget, you know, man not for sure emotion when them go through certain things because that's going to look like you're weak or you're not being a man and whatever, and them look at something there. So the man, them don't have an outlet for emotional support. Them don't have an outlet for when them, you know, like we live in a country where unemployment was an issue for certain people who live certain places and things like that. But at the same time, them exist in that environment where you're supposed to be a provider, right? And if you're not a provider, you're not a man. And if you're not a man, you're not get front. And, you know, and then you see somebody else out there who are hustle. And then you say, well, them man, they get all of the woman, them man, they are provider and all them something. So I think that what I'm saying is there, one time I did a New Kingston. People hear that story already, but just whatever. I did a New Kingston. And I see a man coming up to me who we Jamaicans would say is a madman. That. And through me used to them attacks me and a pepper me and whatever. He said, he come up to me, me just kind of getting a look at defensive posture and whatever. But when him come up to me, him said, excuse me, sir. Like him, I said, excuse me, sir, perchance, could you spare me $50, please? So I was like, yeah, sure. You don't sound like a madman. And he said, his response essentially was, did I tell you I was a madman? You assumed I was a madman, you know, that is on you, you know. And him say, who is bad? I said, what do you mean? Him say, who is bad? I said, what do you mean? Him say, and again, I don't agree with what him saying, but I understand it. Listen what him say now. Him say, you have to brush your teeth every day. You can't wear the same clothes 2 days in a row. And you can't this, you can't that, you must this, you must that, whatever, blah, blah. And him go through all these things that you're supposed to do as a human being and as a man. Now, me a beard and me a brush my teeth and whatever. But what I was hearing from him was like, yo, the pressure reached me, I'ma just check out with all these things we have to do. I just wanted this freedom. I'm not have to worry about them something that you have to worry about. No, you are the madman. Because you are not a pressure there and thing and you whatever. I am good over here. You know, me never worry about that. So somewhere along the line, some pressure reach him and him check out. You understand what I say? So I wonder like if a data reach enough of the man them out the why we always say more madman.
Pressure, because I was saying pressure bust pipe in a Raga. So
yeah.
Pressure depends some of them. And I say Raga, me see something the other day want me always have passed one young youth from Mandeville Hill. Mandeville Hill we call it. Because when you come from down Nashville going up in a town, we call it Mandeville Hill. So you always a find that young boy stand up exactly after you pass one little shop, you go near up to the bank, the credit union bank, Raga. And when morning early me I go work, Raga, me see the man flick out a ratted phone and dep on his data, Raga, and go on with himself. And the man did every day I beg $100 young boy in a Raga. He don't want 30 a day old.
Yeah.
And me say then if him have it there, so beg and have them a type of phone I use, Raga, and every day the out there, so beg, Raga, sometimes in kind of dirty. And you know, so me I say then if him have mental problem, that's him out there beg people money. That means to say him under some kind thing.
Well, yeah,
Some kind him weird, Raga.
Yeah.
There's no way you can mental and beg money and I use them the big old iPhone and the pan and giggle and go along with yourself, Raga, out there every day beg money.
No, hold on. But what's your point though? That you can't mad and know how to use a phone? Is that you say you
Raga,
can't be mentally?
You know mad, I know you don't know how to use the phone, no, Raga, but it still shock me if you see him on that the type of phone.
No, but what wrong with the? There's a famous story. Do you know who the Aboriginals are in Australia? Do you know about that?
I don't hear.
There's some native people of Australia called the Aboriginals. They're actually black, but you know them live in the woods and thing, and people always say them uncivilized and all these things or whatever.
I think I see some videos, some of them in some different country, you know.
So one time, one man crashed in a helicopter and him up in the mountains and thing, and injured, mash up, broke up and thing and whatever. And him see one Aboriginal coming at the little thing, whatever, black and shiny, you know, with one long spear. And he see the man come up, you know, and him start bawl out like, get away from me, get away. And the Aboriginal climb and come up on him and say, get away from me. And why can't he can't move? He mash up and bust up in front of the helicopter. And when he reach over and the Aboriginal stand up with his spear over him and thing, and man, because him tell about the story, you know, he must say, I saw me go dead. Him say him just see man deep in a little sitting where he have and back out to a cell phone and just call emergency and say, you know, we have an injured man here and one thing like that. So yeah, be careful of that, and that save him. And then he was mature enough to say, yo, that just wake him up, you know, because he make all kind of assumption about the man and him thing and whatever. So some people may look certain way, but remember, you know, people have mental disability that is episodic. They have episodes. So, but other times they're proper functioning and them can, you know, people with schizophrenia, you have versions of schizophrenia that it's not dead all the time, you know, it comes in episodes, and other people with autism, you know, you have episodic autism and things like that. So the bridging the way you attack and whatever, him could have well be just a general too. Nothing wrong with him just a theme hustler.
I just be say marginal.
If he say marginal, no. What I do upon a different thing though. I know your time yet for the nationwide tour.
They're going off on holiday on the 28th, Raga.
On the 20th. I'm fast in your business, you know, man. But you know, I remember me, I said, but hold on, I don't feel our time yet, I know the time yet, and whatever. At the 28th.
The last day I work, Raga, I take care of that 2 days to fix up and nice up my place and me pack already, so the 28th.
Well, you pack already? You pack already? Okay.
I pack my suitcase long time. I just wait for the date, the last join on date. But
a new clothes, you know that the packing then, a new clothes.
God Almighty, new fan drawers, socks,
new drawers and everything down, and lingerie, new everything. And then I search.
Right now she tired of me when me buy pan she. Not buy pan she, not buy out here.
Pan shine.
Me have that sheen, you know.
Yeah, cause you done.
Yeah, sheeny man straight, Sheeny.
No, but well, and I did the 28th. He might come, right? He might come down the 28th. Okay, and then it's a whole month, right?
A whole month across Jamaica here. I will be.
So tomorrow your last day of work, no?
I work tomorrow the last day and take Thursday, Friday, change curtain, fix up what do me I do.
Mine me cuss about one, you know. Mine me cuss about one. And then ear have to do and all the yeah. So what about
I'm gonna do ear and nails and
money and pedito, money and pedito, though.
Ear and nails.
Yeah. They want nowadays, you know, since you're a big man, me just want you do the shaving too.
Me?
Yeah.
Of course, Raga. No. And then you know something me love, you know, but me tell you how me do my shaving. Me not put no razor upon my skin, you know, because me not like it. I want little scissors when me use and take my own time and cut very neat.
Low, very okay,
very
nice.
Low.
Nice, very low. You not do the razor. You not do
it's scratching.
You ever do the waxing?
No, me never do waxing.
You never do waxing and thing, but you just cut low and whatever, don't you?
I me always say no Raga, no hair no grow under my arm, you know. So me always say, you see, look here, God put us and you look upon me head, me can't afford to cut off, you know.
So, yeah, what me I say, so tomorrow your last day of work before the 28th, right?
Yeah, man, tomorrow last day.
Alright, so yeah, what me I say, no, you have to go rest up them days that too, you know, and you know, so you know.
Me have to say, me like take one day and just change curtain and me and me big them, them go help me clean down and put things together. As we say, Saturday me go do me hair.
Nice.
Then I want just one nice look hairstyle for 1 2 weeks. I go draw to in Kenya because me have a nice wig. Then when me buy a fashion AliExpress put on here.
Well, no. Which hairstyle you go work with for Bossy? Which hairstyle you go work?
So me go do one cane row me.
Cane row.
Yeah, me go do get one nice little cane row.
No, but cane row with your ear or you go use other ear for cane? Braid.
Okay. Me not really make ear just I do me ear, you know, but me just feel like me I go get a nice little cane row. Cause me can't cane row my own ear, but me can't manage it that neat as all more than want it.
No, but hold on, cane row bring out your sexy? Cane row bring out your sexy?
Hairstyle. Yeah. I have one little face in the Raga and the hairstyle me choose that fit me.
No, because I look for you this and that and thing. Okay, all right. No, because I am excited for you, you know.
At 2 years now, me not see that them man there, so me pass excited. I don't know me not tap jump every day. Me dey pan count down 1 2 3.
Well, a 2 year now, you know, see him?
2 years no come over Jamaica.
No, but me say like the drought, a 2 year drought too?
2 year drought. That would never happen. No 2 year drought no there so.
Alright, leave it right there so.
Rain have to fall now and then.
No, leave it right there so. Say no more. Say no more. Leave it right there so. Okay. Yeah, man, the place have to wet up now and then. You can't have the place just dry. So, yeah.
When man go come, you know, you have to break yourself.
Cooler man, not say another word and think, because the fast people, them are listen. The fast people, them are listen. See, the people like, let me tell you who are the fast people. Ashley, Omega, and them people, are sexy, neefy, dilly dally, are them fast, Lati girl. Yeah, them fast people, are Puggins and them see, and all of the ANC, them Christina Brown Sugar, Antasha, Del Marine. I remember, you know, Munchie.
Somebody say man I listen not even TikTok that the man no go pan.
Yeah, I remember.
Only Facebook page alone me know I have. Not even Instagram me no go pan. So you know to hear them a story.
Yeah, when you're there road.
When that the man that come to Jamaica, you know. I don't bring him around nobody, you know, not even my mama, you know, Raga.
No, not even your man.
Not even my mother, you know, Raga.
Right.
He gone right back, so nobody have no access to him.
Nobody have access.
And if I got tell it, Mr. Dong, I do away.
Well, no. And me just want to say, listen to them. I remember when one about Munchie and thing, you know, and she have one party named Delmarine, the two of them, right? You know, so then walk from New York go all the way down to Miami and I fast in a people business in every state come down, you know, two of them. So you have to look out for them. So if you ever see Munchie,
You have to go to England, Raga, not the United States. Tell if you go to England.
no, but me just I say, remember, I say, Munchie the top, but she's going to be there when him land and all them something. But she go there airport with her bright self and thing and whatever. She can't break your foot around here. We not make that happen.
Raga, nobody can break my foot.
Nobody and thing, all right. Munchie and Delmarine. Anyway, you hear them name they like round you like you there at a restaurant and you hear Munchie or Del or whatever, you just right away, you just stand guard and thing and draw like for a frying pan or something for cloth them, you know? So the 28th, so the TamFam, you know, we just want you know we're just.
Me still at the punish show because I go call you. It's not easy. I can't take me for the show. I'm sorry, baby, but I will be here every night.
No, when they say after the 28th,
Raga, if I even half an hour, me have to under the show.
you have a nice show.
No. But me half an hour, me have to under the show, me love.
No, me realize, you know, Mr. Show, you know.
Raga, and when me come in late, if I have 15 minutes time, me come in, me have to listen till it done.
Till it done. And you know, say the full show them over YouTube too, in case you miss any. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just go over YouTube to TamFam TV and all the full shows are over there. All right, blessings, man. See it? So we're going to be rooting for you from the 28th. Just know, say, TamFam have your back. Go turkey good as.
Me I got the over here. And when me up on the beach side in the night, I sip me pina colada.
Pina colada, yeah. I see the pina colada when see Christina Brown Sugar and Delmarine them a bad mind, and you sip your pina colada. When Dilly Dally and all of them a bad mind, and when you sip your pina colada, cause them they drink lemonade and thing, and a bad mind, you know, and thing. Don't worry, we put them in check, you understand? Cause we happy for you. The ANC not happy for you, but we happy for you, yeah?
Yes, Raga.
All right, let's say a word, man. Love and blessings, yeah?
Take care.
Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool. I'm always, I forget. Wait, place name again. Monkey for what them name? What the other place name? Somebody write it quick. Monkey what? Antasha, don't worry about it. Monkey fungus. Yeah, monkey fungus. Okay, yeah, monkey fungus and thing. If anybody from monkey fungus, I listen big up on yourself, you know, we just want to know, say, like, when somebody pick it to, so we know the thing set, you know. Yeah, we're turkey good as, you know, we're on fear side and we don't make no apology about that, you know. Yeah, our friend, she a TamFam, you know. But big up on yourself, see you, man. You know what I say? All right, then. Yes, let's go. Let me see, cause we never get no mix up early out, so I'm gonna go a little later today. All right, let me see. All right, just no. I'm just go down the line, people. Just go down the line. Family secret mix up or any other mix up. Greetings. Then I give thanks, you know, I'm going with you.
They all look fine you with the red lips, them Raga.
My lips are not red.
Raga.
So red, yeah. So
in
red,
my
yeah.
eyes them red. Me not care, Raga. In my eyes them red.
All right. Yeah.
Because I really up still Raga. Raga me the girl with the soda.
Between you and coffee, you know, it won't no bad like yours, you know, man. And think, they know some Virginia call me and that talk about, so you never get the soda yet. I mean, I said, no. So I said, you never get that soda yet. I said, no. And I tell them about it better when them do it with Sprite, man. Nah, Sam, I said, nah, man, you forget a soda swipe, man, and thing, but him say better when them do it with Sprite, you know, and thing like that. And him claim, say, no, so I tell him, say, you know, Altoids, right?
Yes.
So, Altoid swipe has been a thing, right? That they bought already, you know, like, you know, whatever. So he must say, so, oh, you know about Altoids, I don't know about it. So I tell him about my brethren at UConn now, who Altoids was theme thing, you know? Him say anytime him whatever, him like to put Altoids, you know, like, cause, you know, back in them day there in college, him was the top freak amongst me, you know. So I said, no, I didn't make we know about the Altoids thing. So I said, nah, man. You see the soda thing we should talk about and whatever, and murder and you should throw Altoids in it. So I said, dog, that not too much gas there, so then, man. And the man said, that is the point. That is the point.
Me I tell you, the soda thing bad for real. Me I tell you, first time me do it, yeah, it bad with you. And me I'm a professional, you know, right? Me just when I try a thing
Yeah.
and it's a laugh.
I've never, I didn't even read about it. And you know, me read a lot, you know.
Right, Raga, if you give me an invitation, you know, me accept it, you know, Raga.
No, me never said, I said, me never read about it.
Yeah, but me I tell you something,
But me
Raga.
just I tell you, I said, me never read about it.
Raga, come on now, Raga.
What?
You see all the ball head, you know, with that thing and me hand rubbing in your ball head, no, oh God.
What?
God have mercy, Raga.
And you know, it's probably you know that good, you know, duh.
Raga, action speak Lord, I heard, you know, Raga. Just give me the invitation.
Well, actions, you know.
Yeah. Raga, me not just full of a pure talking, Raga. Me can't angle my bangle.
You can't angry or bangry. You got skills.
Yeah.
You got skills.
Yeah. Me have one of my skills them are like Spider Woman too, you know, Raga.
Explain.
Like me the pan top and the spider things them, Raga. You know.
No,
Merry-go-round.
when you mean the spot, you're the on top. You know, if you're the
The
on
pan
top,
top, you
but
don't know a
how
spider with them
spider,
claw, Raga. You don't know how much. Raga, come on, man.
what?
2 hand there so 2 foot there so and move up body and go on with the things them, Raga.
Yeah, but if you're the on top, what are spiders known for? What them call Spider-Man? Web crawler. So, yeah, crawl. But if you're the on top, where you crawl, pan?
What you mean? Now the pretty body head we have, Raga, what you mean? Why is me for the crawl pan?
But,
Why
but
for
if,
the crawl pan?
nobody with the on top, that's not crawling. You're not bouncing.
Raga, you know, motions, you know, matter, Raga. Something not go on. Something not happen. Something not
I
touch the
know,
floor.
but how spider drop in that me I say me not understand how spider
Because
drop in.
me have to do my body work. Me have to me can't flap out the thing, Raga. So me have to come with all of my thing, them, Raga.
And then no, me know about the roundabout, but from what you tell me in a sound, the woman them who know the roundabout when them dey on top, them generally very fit.
Okay.
And me, you know, sound fit to me.
Okay, Raga. Just give me invitation then. Not so much.
No, but I say with the round, remember say them a bounce and them a turn and a go round and a turn and a go right round and thing and whatever. You can't do that
All
some of
right.
that. You
All
can't do
right.
that some of that.
So let me just tell about that, Raga. Raga, spider. All right, me the pan top.
Yeah.
Me 2 foot. Remember, say me 2 foot there, so you lay down flat.
No,
And then
no,
me sit down.
when I yes, they are so like some. Me I see what you. Me not see. You have to explain it, man. So what you say? Oh,
Let me
good.
try to explain. All right.
Yeah.
So you lay down flat, Raga, and me now make you lay down pan up there. You lay down pan the floor pan a blanket or something, right? Me the pan top. Remember me 2 foot there, so, and then me go put down me 2 hand, Raga. So me have me 2 hand out.
Hold on. Put on your 2 hand where?
Me hand go there at the side, Raga. Me hand
Oh.
go there your side. And me 2 foot is gonna be right there.
So you're on your side.
No, me hand there next to your side. Remember your flat in my 2 hand the right
Okay,
there,
so
right
me
there.
flat for my back. Okay, all right, yeah. Yeah.
And my foot the right there, so. So my about to go there and
Right
make
there,
like
so. Right there, so. You put them the right there, so, right?
right there, so yes.
Okay,
You know
right
you
there, so.
can't see Roger, but imagine, but you know, I me just a go out with myself, batty a bounce right there, so I me fling it on the left there, so fling it on the right, forward there, so go back there, so and do me thing, Raga.
So you just a bounce it and you fling it on the left and fling it on the right, I think.
Right there, so.
No, but when I say is when you up this and thing, the woman them who do that roundabout thing there, you know. Let me just be clear. The woman them who do it, them not them not who good pan it, them not hold on pan anything, you know.
No, did I fit one and pan Raga.
Exactly. So and when I say when them a go around, them a bounce, and them have this timing thing where them switch fast, where the left foot they on the right side quick, then the right foot they between the man leg, and then them keep on a go around, and the timing is impeccable and thing, and whatever, and the man a lose his mind. I'm saying, are you fit enough to do that the way them do it?
Raga, me have my old skills. And guess what? You see my music when me having in my head, I want to Tanya Stevens song them. And that me a bump on.
What, the
So
one was
meanwhile the music, the rhythm, me I ride the same way.
which Tanya Stevens? What the Tanya Stevens? Which Tanya Stevens?
Our name again. Boomwalk.
Boomwalk. We know that one there, you know. Boomwalk. Yeah. I hear that one there about.
That are my it.
Okay.
That is my thing.
So
meanwhile me have even if me have in my brain, it a go and play and me a go and ride the rhythm.
Yeah, so you move to the rhythm when you do it.
The rhythm, and me a go and do my thing, Raga. Me can't support myself, Raga.
Okay. Well, you sound confident with your thing, though, you know?
Me know if you angry my thing.
But suppose that coming like nothing to me.
Well, me try something else.
Yeah, I want to pull out the lyrics.
Me try something else. Because me I do one something and me say that now fears you and me not hear no noise and because you know when man a moan, you know, me not make you moan more, me know it how we are moan or when we are gonna moan louder. So
yeah.
Something now work, plan B now work, plan C.
Yeah.
And then not gonna be, you know, because one out of the three have to work.
Yeah, all right then. So you come with contingency plan, backup plan and thing and whatever, man.
Plan after them, you can't come with one plan, Raga.
No, man, it sound like you take a thing serious, you know, like you say, yo, we're not ramp with this, you know, if this a go down and thing and murder, duh.
Raga, it's a F, fight or funeral.
We know that Jamaican term there, you know?
All right.
So, F, fight or funeral. I want to know what the F is, you know?
Yeah, man, straight, you know?
Yeah. Man. All right, you talk what you would I do. All right, now, we want to hear what you like. You like it rough or you like it soft?
Raga, me no soft nothing, Raga.
Oh.
Me no soft nothing. You have to come with the A game, Raga.
Right.
Soft nothing, nah go nowhere.
So like that's what some of the thing them what you like, what turn you on, what make you get in a vibe and thing. Like what some of the thing where you like forget. What like what?
Raga, me love when a man make down the wet up. Play with down there.
All right. And then what? Like what
talk
kind of
talk? Kiss up the best them. Kiss up the neck.
Yeah, no details. But yeah, kiss up the up top and kiss up the neck and thing and
Yeah, me love them something.
No, but that sound then that now soft and romantic. Like
But Raga, I know every man know to do that. Enough man want jump on like dog and jump off back. That can't work. How will that go?
No, but I understand that, but what you describe, that could be soft.
In a way.
In a way, yeah.
Yeah, but bad me up. I owe for this.
Yeah, you love
it. I don't sir, me just give you a lens. I lend you it. So now ask me how for, you know.
And then when you say so now and I say I no fear one now and then the general say, hey, what you just say and slant it upon you and them thing there, them thing you like that and thing. Yeah, no.
Exactly. Yes.
Yeah. So what you like look at choking to them or something there?
Raga, me no want nobody control me and my y'all then go pull out and next thing you know, me come. No, sir, me no know that, Raga.
Oh, God. Well, all right then.
Me no understand that. So you know, so when sometimes it's sweet, the man, them and them a girl look a choke hole. Next thing you know, choke hole get tight and how if it tight and next thing you know, yeah, you know, but me pass out, me no must come back. No, sir, that's too much.
All right. So tell me something now. What about grab here in a backers and them something?
Ay, grab here in a backers. It all depends, you know. If me have me natural hair, yeah, little grabbing. But if me in a fast hair, no man, me no you pull out me hair them and then it go left off in your hand.
Oh, no, well, yeah, because, you know, sometimes nowadays you have to carefully grab your call, all the tracks them will cut you, you know.
Exactly. That's something for like a world watch. It can happen, you know, but sometimes when emotion get too emotional, you know, the strength power get too much and then you know.
You know, you can't stand there. You have woman who will tell you, the woman who will tell you, say, yo, grab me here, grab me here, grab me. You have woman who do that here or that. Me I tell you, you have the woman who do it and thing.
Yeah, you have some woman where tell them and if them are grab it to serve them, say what kind of grabbing that? More
Yeah,
power.
yeah.
And then, you know, yeah. But yeah man.
So you upport so why if the man get adventurous, like if him take out the rifle and not box you with it and thing and look, you know, like a little box crash your jaw, like, you know, play it. So what about that?
If it pretty, yeah, one little nice box this and this, so yeah, but you don't want to ugly something that box me, Raga, you're crazy.
I want a pretty box on the rifle, pretty rifle box.
Yeah, cool, looking nice and flashy. That's why you just use a pretty thing and lick up on your left and your next side.
You're going like your wicked, so you don't know, say if you behave yourself, boom, you know, and then cool, you know.
Man, looking something nice, you know. Yeah, and your pep talk, you know, of course.
Yeah, man. I mean, I'm just asking you because, you know, when I do my research, I'm going to read about them, something. That is what I see that people do, you know?
Yeah, nice, Raga. Raga, it's nice when you have a man, we have if I not even you're a man, when I have a pretty body and they do the things them way do, you know. It's like the master, you know, and they follow the rules, them look at kicks, Raga.
When the man lay down some rules and thing, he give a look of vibe, though.
Nice, and in the mood and everything I go right. Yeah, that's fun. That's nice. That's romantic.
Okay.
Yeah, that's romantic.
But tell me something. You have this kind of focus on, you know, so the rifle for pretty. Is that why you had a bad experience with ugly rifle?
Yeah, Raga, me tell us, me looking at so pretty, Raga, so too ugly something can't make one, Raga, one of it pretty.
Oh, yeah, you have the unbalanced something they don't. Yeah.
Fluffy versus slimmers, yeah.
Yeah, like one side of you something a fluffy and the other side maga down. One side a fluffy and one side a kukum.
Yes. Yes, me tell her that, Raga. So me no want no ugly something, Raga. Yeah, it pretty.
No, but do you know that in mathematics, 2 negative gives you a positive?
I know, but I saw me born, Raga, so
yeah. Okay.
Me can't do nothing about it. So
I'm just saying that you may get an ugly one and just work with it, you know. It may turn out good, you know.
Me no know. If me come across it, me will tell you that story. But for now, pretty messy.
A pretty yes. Okay. All right then. All right then. Okay. Always interesting having dialogue with you, you know. All right.
Yeah, man, nice, you know, and maybe I don't know, maybe me use my tile later, minutes for you know, pretty thing and make a one best half.
What that?
Me look a thing when me have in my drawer.
Yeah? Probably you do what?
Probably me use it later, make a one bus off and go on my bed.
Oh, you mean just help yourself with your
Yeah,
toy? Oh, okay,
yeah.
okay. What color is your toy?
I have a purple one and I have a white one.
Okay, purple and white. That's all like Casey. You need
Yeah.
to get green and black to represent Calabar.
Me think about it.
All right.
Me think about it. But
So,
me I work with them too, you know.
well, the one them what you are because with them on TikTok, or do they use batteries or they don't use batteries?
No, me make them charge. Me plug it in for charge.
Oh, so that is what electricity?
Yes.
So how them different? Like a two different vibe you get from them. The purple one different from the white one.
Yes. So the purple one, no, me have it in my hand, and the white one, me have to stick it to the wall.
Oh, the white one can stick to the wall.
Yes.
So when you stick it to the wall, you stick it to the wall where you can back up on it.
It kind of difficult, you know, cause my body kind of big in a way, so it kind of difficult. So me
Okay.
have to set it away. Me have to, when me tried one time in my bathroom, I got me nearly drop.
What happened? What happened?
Me could do all when me I try to set it at the right position, Raga. It just difficult, Raja. And then now me take off here and me carry in my bedroom and me put it to the bed foot. One of my foot there ground, one upon the bed, as so come me could be able to enjoy it.
Oh, but because the bed them not on a flat surface, so you get it for stick on the bed foot.
Not the bed foot, the wall. The
But,
wall where they are the bed.
or the wall where they had the bed. So you stick it on the wall where they had the bed.
Yes.
And then what you do, you just bend over and hold the bed and back it up on the wall.
Because it have a motion, you know, it go forward, you hear me, and it they go in and out, so me just take time and go down on it. But me put on me rubbers on it, you know,
Oh, okay.
use it without my rubbers.
Okay.
Yeah, man, and me angle my thing and it go and do it
So
too.
well on there, so when you are do this by yourself and thing and whatever, and you did it, so you did it wind it off by yourself on the wall and thing and them something eh?
Oh, you mean, Raga?
Wow.
Yeah.
So what you think about for kind of give yourself a vibes when you do it? What you thinking in your mind? Usually when people do them sit them I think about something when them do it. What you think about?
Me think about the ex people them man when me used to have, Raga.
Okay. So you just member him and member something.
Me just use that and me just yeah, and do the things them until me come and me feel good and that's it.
But so when you make them sound, it make a card if you make them sound they do. You not just
Yes,
make the
and me
sound.
a wine pan it and it me do my thing and you know, yeah.
So but like when you wine pan like your sound when you do it, your sound.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Oh my God, okay. Listen, no matter what people say, what I'm hearing is a woman who is comfortable with herself and can satisfy herself and relieve herself and make yourself, be happy when you want, as opposed to women who experience all kinds of frustration with that and refuse to help themselves. You understand? And then,
Right, that's all.
yeah.
Me all right with it because guess what? Just when me go out, when me go on to work, and me say you see if me know or my mind tell me say you cheat for me, I have somebody only, hey, me talk to it in a raga.
Well,
So me know say you not give me no problem.
so when you tell your vibrator say any you ever burn me and thing like that, don't?
Yeah, yep.
And make your vibrator know say, boom bam.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I like your two man them.
Yeah.
Would that mean you give them name, tell me the name them?
I just regular pinky and purple and whitey. That's it.
Yeah. One year white, the one year whitey.
The one where me stick on the wall named whitey and the other one a purple.
Oh, okay. All right, call the other one purple touch.
Purple, all right. Purple touch. Yeah. Sometimes because I make you use it on the click and the ground the
No,
thing and
don't give no don't say no specific, just use code, yeah?
all right. Me just
Oh,
put it right there so I go on and everything.
okay. All right. Okay, all right, no more, yeah? No more. Hello? I think TikTok cut her off. Yeah, TikTok cut her off. TikTok cut her off. Priceless. These are my kind of topics. My skin catch fire. Oh, some people receive. Wait, one second. Yeah, some people get subscription from somebody. They say give thanks. It's who send it. It's who send it. It's who send it. Yeah, it's who send it. All right, big up the person who send that. All right. Yeah, greetings. Where you say, Papa?
Greetings. Why I got to tell you a story I'm to my boy,
Yeah.
All right, me in high school. See, me about 9th grade, 10th grade, you see me?
Yeah.
So I meet this big woman that work at one bar and, she like me off and thing out there I do with things. So when we there at the bar at night time, when I dance with her, she like kiss me up and thing. And them look away there.
Mm-hmm.
So one night I go look for her and I say, boy,
So how old were you? How old were you?
About 15, 16 them time there.
Oh, and this is a big woman who work at bar.
Yeah, big woman.
And she knows say you go high school, right?
Yeah.
And she like you.
Yeah.
But you, to your best of your knowledge about how old she was?
She's about 30 something, them age there.
All right, go on, talk.
So I got one night, my room that dance and the boy get up and thing. And I say, boy, to tell you the truth, I know say you like me, but something big. So she said, yo, I saw when look a boy ever talk and when people look at something like cheese chicks and,
All right,
so
yeah.
say,
I make sure say you use code here and I use not no graphic here.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So I got one night she decided to shall come check me now. I say, all right. My own mama look at you them time then I'm dead. I say, all right, mama, come. So I'm happy, Raga. So I'm going at the bar now, I'm dead and I'm not dead until she lock up and reach up on my yard now,
Mm-hmm.
They don't know I'm in the room, I'm lock off the light and dead and I kiss up and look vibes of Bill and thing, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
And she said, boy, they look me say cheese chick big, more and see it. So I said, no. But I will start do it thing and then, they can't work with it. Mama said, no, I want to see it. Boy, Raga, and the worst thing I can ever do. You see when the woman said something, turn on the light and she see it, Raga, Mama run. Mama said, no. How you go with that, you mad? You're a donkey. You can't one piece of excitement in the Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, I tell them I feel away. I never see her back till about a couple months after.
Mm-hmm.
And then Mama come link me now. So when she come link me and thing and we decide to do with thing. Say boy, me young, me not experience them little time there. So Trevor say boy, juke no, them look away there, juke no. Dead Raga on his life, but dead and me reach fast. You understand what I say? Me reach fast, cause you're anxious and your first time as a local youth and
Mm-hmm.
So dead now I'm dead and mama go and boy she said she plan to come back come link me on the weekend. Boy Raga, all I could have think about her when she dey on juke no. So I dead and me a plan for her and Raga, me a plan for her. Them time the Magnum, I believe Magnum just a come in them time. You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm.
Boy Raga, when mama come now and dead and dead now Raga, I'm start why it me and why wicked man. Boy, I say mama push me off it and say, hold on, them soon come, you see me? Raga up to today I don't see her back.
Oh.
Up to today I don't see her back.
Oh, she Lego.
Yeah, she cut. So me I say, what I want to say still to the big woman then when I listen to the program. Never you judge a book by its cover, yeah?
See it there.
Not because me young, you go jump and say, boy, me a look a boy and a cheese chicks. No. I can't do that.
You see it. All right, Papa. Respect for that one there, yeah?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, my boss.
Yeah, man. Cool.
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
How are you?
You know, say I'm good, like for real, like I'm good.
A little bit of into my heart.
Me never say nothing, you know, so you know, just follow my cue, man. If you say, yeah, all right,
Yeah. That's a good one. But
yeah.
may I piggyback off a little lady in our conversation? I have read that yeah, I have read that Cipocal works very good. You know,
That
to
what?
numb the Cipocal, that little
Oh, Sipoka, isn't that a soap, a face wash?
no, it's a candy like Halls.
It's a what?
Like Halls.
Like
The
halls, right?
lozenges
Yeah,
to soothe your throat.
yeah.
Yes, I have read that the Cipocal, you know, it numbs your throat and
Oh,
yeah, works
but
well for
yeah, for
deep throat.
oh, don't say that, don't say
What's
that,
that?
because yeah, because you know them, you know TikTok, you know.
Yeah.
So what it do? It numbs the throat.
Yes, it numbs the throat and help you to produce a little bit more saliva.
Oh,
Yes,
for you know, it
for
numbs
the
the
mucus.
throat for
Yes,
perchance
perchance
that there's an object that you know that would go in
that
that
would
area. Yeah,
area. Yes,
just
yes.
perchance,
Just perchance that
Yeah,
something would go in that
that
area.
is something
Yes.
we're going that area. You know, one would be prepared.
One
You
would be
know,
prepared.
one would
Yes,
be prepared.
yes,
Okay,
yes,
understood. So you say it's Cepacol, right?
yes. Cipocal.
CEPACOL.
COL. Yes.
I thought that was
It's
pretty.
a cough drop.
But why isn't there like? Oh no, that is Cetaphil, right?
That's
Is this?
cetaphil. That's the taupe. Yeah,
That's
that's
the what? That's the
eczema.
soap, right?
Yes.
That is what I was
That
calling.
is,
So
yeah.
Cepacol though is like a
It's like a
lozenge,
cough drop. Yeah,
like a
yeah.
cough drop.
Cough
Okay,
drop. Yeah.
and you say it is very good for preparing the
Preparing
throat.
your throat.
Yeah,
Yes.
for the
Yes.
existence of
Any
objects
obstruction of any objects.
of
Yeah.
formidable dimensions, should they
Yes.
find themselves there, the throat would be duly prepared to
Pray for
accommodate their
accommodate it.
presence.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
understood.
Yes.
And you read this, correct?
Yes. I have read.
Yes. So from one reader to another, I must say it's a pleasure speaking to you. I feel the solidarity, I feel the camaraderie and thing, because you know there are people out there who can be, you know, unfortunately a little bit too skeptical about us readers, you
Well,
know.
exactly. You know, we
Right,
love to read.
right, and they,
Yes.
you know, they fail to appreciate, you know, we being well read, and then that's just it. We read a lot, you
We
know.
read a lot, yes.
Right,
I haven't tried it yet, but
yeah,
you know, I have read about it.
right, okay.
Yes.
So perhaps you and I should meet at a library at some point. Huh?
Yes, we should.
We
And read
should,
through
yeah.
that book to see, you know, what the
Right.
procedure is. Yes.
Yeah, and engage in a marathon reading frenzy.
Yeah, exactly.
Yo, I just a read, so just a read with so done. Oh, watch out, man. Open up the book, the writing of the Miguel and Stain, and just a read over that the chapter there, so over and over, done. You are so bad. Look how you broke up Miss Cherry Wash Belly.
Me not broke your
Jesus,
oats.
yeah.
Like, you know, say in theory, you know, I know the theory and the practical, you know, has been, you know, pretty good. But with other things.
What do you mean? You know the theory, but the practical is...
The practical is very enjoyable.
No, but are you more of a theoretician than a practitioner?
No, I'm more of a practitioner.
You're more of a practitioner than
Yes, I'm more of a
okay.
practitioner. Yes.
So you walk the walk, you know?
I walk the walk and talk the talk.
Talk the talk, but you walk the walk more than you talk the talk,
I
though.
walk the walk more than I talk the talk.
Actions speak louder than words. Oh, God, big up yourself, man. I say a word here.
It's okay.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings, man. Cool, yeah? Okay, cool. Yeah, man. people. You see that playfulness, they just know that's fun. Yeah, that's sexy. Yeah, that's fun, you know. That's Watch ya. Mary and your lot. I like what are you locking on the super call down. This you there. Alright, remember, you know. If you support the show, you subscribe to the show. Right? And the option is that just an option when we say everybody now able to subscribe. Some people, not even cards, some people have, and for other reasons, some people can't subscribe. But you know, if you can support the show by subscribing, you should do so. Because when you do that, that means that the show continue and I turn up and thing. All right? And to subscribe, it's at the bottom of your screen. That star with the circle around it, okay? That's where you'd subscribe. All right. Family Secret Mixup or any other Mixup you want to have and thing. Here we go. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Raga.
Yeah, Wagwan.
You know, I was just tapping the screen. I thought I was banned until the 24th.
Did them tell us that you were banned until the 24th?
Yeah, I had a whole message on my page and everything, and then someone kept on reporting me, so I couldn't even come on TikTok at all.
Oh. No, I just saw you in there. Oh, and for people who don't know, she had said something in her last thing on TikTok, take her off. Oh, so it looked like what's she name that would come off a while ago, she probably get rough up too.
Yeah, man, she definitely got banned.
Because I never know say they get banned. I just know say it take you off and it did rough me up. Yeah, it did rough me up.
In TikTok prison.
You in TikTok prison, Osh.
Oh my God.
Okay, but it looks like you're out right now, aren't you? All right.
Oh, and, I'm not going to finish the story today. I don't have time. A different time.
All right, then that's our word. Don't make them force if you do nothing here. All right, yeah, man. Blessings, daily, darling. Big up yourself, you know. All right, cool here.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, man, cool. All right, I never know say TikTok saying you know, this and that and that and this and people TikTok are the strictest platform out there, you know. It used to be Facebook, but then Mr. CEO for Facebook, after certain people win, Mr. CEO just say, yo, I'm going to stop strict on people, yeah, man. And that's it. But TikTok still have a strict. TikTok under the microscope from the powers that be. Good night.
Good night, Raga.
Good night.
Night.
Yeah.
I have a little horse here. I have a little childhood joke here.
Send on.
All right. Me about 8 or 9. Their country, my grandmother. She a cook, so she run out of salt. So she asked me, say, come here, call me by my name, come here. And I think it was like 30 cents. So she say, buy a quarter pound of salt for me. And I run and I go, but when me go to the shop, me see some well speckled banana. And me say speckle them, well speckled, and then the truck we carry the bulla and them something there, they that just a deliver in at the shop. Nice little round bulla with the old them.
Yeah.
So it's like right away everything but the salt where she send me for go.
Forget about that. Yeah, come out of your brain. Forget about that, yeah.
Yeah, so I just buy 2 of the banana and 2 of the bulla. Wrap it up right this.
And slap them away right away, though.
Yeah, so when me don't know me, I wonder what me I go tell her, say. So, you know, the brain chip in and say, yeah, what? Go check the neighbor them. So me go about 3 neighbor. Mama say she a beg a little salt. So me get little this so. So when I go one next lady, she said she don't have it much, but she still I go give me a little and carry it around and give mama. Mama take it, put in her pot. In the evening now, here, last lady when I asked her the salt whenever I have enough, but she still give me.
Yeah.
Burial. Mama say, what go on garden? Why me never have enough of the thing where you send, alright, them call me dainty. When you send dainty for, so mama say, what that? Me not send dainty there. Yeah, garden. Not the salt. Them time them ya tear down the wall of the gully because me and mama call me, DNT, come here. That time ya tear down the gully because me know I beat me, you know. Yeah, man. So, you know, every time I my little piece, every time I remember it, me just a laugh and I say, boy, you know.
The whole she never catch you.
We and I night me come back, but then time and then forgot about it. She got in a choir practice and
Oh,
something. So time she
okay.
come back, me you know asleep.
Yeah, because and you know she catch you with assault.
Yeah.
Corny joke. Get it? And then she catch you with assault. Yeah. I'm a nerd, so ignore me, okay?
Yeah.
All right. Now say a word, man. Big up yourself here.
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool. You know, so I take my nerdy joke flyer. My kids are like, yo, Daddy, you the biggest nerd. And I'm like, yeah, I know. You know. Well, you know, everything get fly over, you know. Yeah, I know some of you got it, you know. There we go. People do remember my party, you know, my birthday party, Saturday, oh God, Saturday, September 20th, Saturday the 20th of September, Ragabash at Amazura in Queens, okay? It's a squeaky post it there. Good night.
Good night, Reggae.
Wow,
Sorry about the
boy.
baby, yeah?
Yeah.
I had not too long joined when I had said I said I had
Okay.
not too long joined when I said it was a mistake. Y'all don't come for me, but somehow I believe it's fate. I was
Yeah.
watching dishes and the scenes and the baby had the phone pressing up.
Yeah.
But I just come to kindly, I know no comments and no family drama to give you.
Yeah.
I'm a mother of 2.
Yeah.
20 years old, currently unemployed. I'm just asking if anybody wants to help out a young mother. It's my baby, eh? Sorry, my baby is screaming.
I
I'm so
know.
sorry.
Don't vex. But there's a reason why whenever I allow this in the past, it open up a door and things. So I always tell people approach, don't come on the show with it because it caused all kind of problem in the past, you know?
Oh,
So that's why I say people must just do it privately, you know?
oh, privately. Okay.
Yeah, because in the past, somebody come on, I was like, okay, yeah, let's help the person. Now, let me tell you, man, after that, problem, you know, just problem, you know? So, you know, I remember, yeah, man. So when it happened, one of my mentor, Muta Baruka, called me and said, don't do it. When you're doing your show, don't let it happen because you're going to just open up a door and you can't close it back, you know? Right? So no, don't vex here.
No, I ain't vex.
All right then. Blessings here. Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, for those, people want to know, you know, because many of you have been listening for a long time, right? So, I don't know, say, for those of you who don't know, I used to do this a lot, you know. Always I help people and thing on the show. I mean, ask the viewers to help people and thing or whatever. And several things happen, you know. Well, one, you know, a whole heap of people start coming, and then that became a problem. But honestly, too, yeah, I'm just a bit blunt with it. There are people who would come to and they were so convincing and so pleasant and so sweet, and then only for find out, you know, it's a thing that they've been doing and whatever, you know. So, yeah, some don't even want to talk about who me help now, because I know say that I got cause problem in my inbox too and thing and whatever. But just so you know, it can't dead there for everybody, but we help who we can help with discretion, okay? So just so you know, we help who we can help with discretion. But when you're running a show, regardless of what show it is, you have to it's almost like it is your job to wait name the integrity of the show, because you have certain things that will just take over the show and just change the show and it becomes something. And before you know it, you're managing something that you let through and didn't nip it at the bud, you know? And then one other thing is that for whatever reason, you have some people who are very selective of which shows they choose to do this, you know, and sometimes that not fall really too good, you know, because them don't go to certain other people, you know, and you have people, for those of you who don't know, you have people out there who go through TikTok and them just check out lives and them look and them examine and them think and them say, oh, who is more likely to do so and so for them, you know? And some are sincere. That's where they are. They're just reaching out. But to be blunt, some are not. And let me give you an example. On 2 occasions, I made my listeners, and, you know, it was listeners. It wasn't even viewers them time there. It was listeners. And on 2 occasions, people come in and I met my listeners, them help them, you know. And the listeners, them, and my listeners, them not rich. Them not rich. But, you know, people are good people, and when they hear certain things, them reach out and them say, no, man, I could do so and so, you know, so and so. And there are people who will help, you know. I do remember the person was flooded out in Texas. That was true. For those of you who remember that, it was years ago. You know, different thing. I remember when Tina, you know, father did get licked down and unfortunately, you know, lost his life in a car accident, like right when the show are going and everybody come, you know, make everybody come. So there have been somewhere it was true. But there have also been somewhere we help them only if you say them have another page. Them have one page where them use do them thing, profile where them using them thing, and them have another page. I be a flossing and thing and this and that going over there and thing like that and you know? Like proper flossing and thing. With way more than who contributed to help them, you know? And those are 2 pages, and then there was another instance to where that person never have another page, but they were living a lifestyle. And that's sometimes people forget my name Ragashanti, so people know me, you know. And so at some point people will say, Raga, that person or whatever, you know, check out this, boom, bam, bam. So me just do what I can do. I do what I can do, and I can't help everybody, right? But I do it privately. Okay. Finally, and I know this going to sound ticklish. It's what I just I couldn't know. There have been several, you know, unpleasant things where people use children. And they know why they use children, you know? And it becomes difficult to know who is true and who is not. And I don't know if any of you have had those things, but some people are good. They're really good with the children thing. And it, you know, you have some instances, and I know it's uncomfortable to hear this because it's almost like you want it to be true. But if there's one thing that will tug at people's heart to make them give people the benefit of the doubt, it's children. But what I'm saying is that some people know that. Some people know that, and there have been instances, not only with me, with other people too, where sadly people use children, in clever, subtle ways, not even obvious, in clever, sometimes them just, whatever, but in clever, subtle ways that make it, kind of even like indirectly lead you down the path too, I know it's uncomfortable, and I know there are people out there with need, genuinely so. But I'm just also letting you know that there are people out there who, it's a game. It's a hustle. And it's a big thing in TikTok. To search out lives. There's some people who search out lives and they will go in the live, and they deliberately want to go in the live. Them can't link me privately, them not link me privately. Let me say that again. They can link me privately, it's easy to DM me a message. Anybody can DM anybody. But it's a deliberate move to go in the live. And they know which live to do it, They don't go on a live with no 2 and a 1 and a 3 and a 4 or 5 people. Them not going. They don't go on live where have enough people, but them know say some madded over there. Them not go on them live there. They go on live with what they assess to be nice people. But sadly, nice people are usually the prime targets for scams. And they will scour the internet, scour TikTok, and they will study and say whatever. So I'm just letting you know that this is a thing. It's a big thing out there, right? It's a huge hustle here on TikTok. You have different hustle and whatever. Like what they're showing what go on in a people inbox. A whole heap of something that go on over here. On social media in general, okay? But I am taking the time to explain this to you because it's awkward, it's uncomfortable, and sadly, you have some of you who would be so triggered that there's a possibility that you'll be like, why Raga never do so-and-so? Them should have so-and-so, because the intended objective is achieved when the game is played a certain way. The caller just now, some of you don't know, but she kind of come in before, She come in before, And, she was, she kept, wanted to come in and think. Somebody bring her in again a year. She said, oh, it was by accident and thing, but, it looked like it was an accident for a purpose and thing. And then she, whatever, but I'm just saying, it's best, out of respect for Uno too, come on to know that is part of what is going on here, because I'm telling, and people who listen, know what I talk about, because if me say so, Una go do it. I can't tell you that. If me say do this so and so for that person, people jump in. And a few times, me go lead people down this, so can me go bite the bait too, And then only for find out, say, dan. So, one time I moved to Baruka reason, and him said, Dad, don't do it. If you help somebody, help people privately. Don't do it through your show. So my show is fairly popular. I am a well-known brand in the Jamaican diaspora. And the thing is on a level now where on every given night I'm doing TikTok, it's on average it's more than 1,000 people here. We're generally a mature crowd. I always put up the thing, so it's exclude children. So we're generally a mature crowd. And anybody looking on this group can have a sense of what the composition is like in terms of demographic. So most people over here, 30s, 40s, 50s, mature people, working people in some ways and things like that. So I want you to know that there are some people out there who need help for real, but also that there are people out there, that's the thing on social media, and just go around and look for different things and whatever. Any of you who open that door, dog me supper. All right? So it's not my intention to be mean. I don't even want to say certain things, but just know that me help people, right? But me, because even if me go say so and so, me already I get it. Me not sure, because me not put that out there, but me get it every day. Every day, every day, as you can imagine. Me get in my inbox and thing, and it's different configurations, a thing where people say them need help. I get it every day. I can't help everybody. And, me have my responsibilities too. I have to protect Uno too. So I don't want anybody to feel like, flat out. I don't want anybody to feel like them can't come and rock a show and do this, Okay? People, anybody used to come mix up and blend and them show there and whatever, I don't know, what, man, this woman on a jungle and I say, nobody not give people money like you, because I don't know what we used to do, we used to have fun, but it used to set up in such a way where money are given. When I say money are given, boss are be all these competitions and things and whatever. My thing was I always give back money, and thing, and then after a while that became a problem, and then people are like, so what you expect, that you want to do them something? See, people must say yes, them know what go on, and things, see. See, the Latin girl used to do games and sell out money and things like that, All right, then, cool. So I'm painstakingly explain it because you always have that minority there who will look for something and thing. And yeah, I'm a ranking or something, but you always have a minority there who the person want help and you never help the person and make him go and whatever and things like that. But there is an unpleasant side to it, and things. So I just want to know, say, me help. But I get whole heap and most of them I can't help them. I have my bills to pay, I have 3 young kids and whatever. So them come at me hard, because assumptions make, But me don't want that something there when I say, Raga show go on and thing. I could go over Raga show and thing. Because, I have some people out there too, like, for them thing is, no man, go over Raga show because him did help one girl. So if you go do it one time, you'd say, all right, then cool, I'm gonna do it one time. But then what gonna happen. No man, him did help this girl or whatever. And then people who come forcefully and say, no, because I know you help somebody, I need the help, I really need the help because da. And it becomes this thing where you have to be polite and understanding and whatever with people who sense that you're nice and them things. So if them press, you will give in and thing. And it can get so draining and frustrating. Trust me, people, you go through it, All right?
Let's say love, brother.
Cooker, wagwan.
There,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I go and listen to your program all night. As usual, not change.
Seeing.
I love the blessings and I love the comedy. So your platform will always be something I always listen to Raga. Trust me. When I say laugh, I mean you laugh, okay?
Seeing.
I might think of peace and happiness in my thing, okay?
Yeah.
Anyway, true, Raga. I have a little family thing where happened a couple of years ago where and I'm nothing funny about it, but it happened, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
51 storm come, my granny get a little house after 51 storm and she come up at the garrison so come get a little one place after 51 storm blow.
Yeah.
Met a neighbor and she and the neighbor become good friends and them have kids right through going through, right? That would be my mother generation. So say for instance my granny generation, the next generation will be my mother and then me after my mother, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. My generation, she had the lady had a granddaughter, beautiful girl. Matter of fact, they have several daughters, but one of them was really, really nice girl.
Mm-hmm.
They migrated to America before me, long before me. And I guess the little one, she was the little last one, she come up here and find a little hustler that dude, and hustler dude turn her into a dolly, basically.
Mm-hmm.
That's about 1990s, yet about dolly, you know what I'm saying? Back then, real dolly them time, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
For the body and all that. So she was going on and everything was good with her in America.
Right.
She come back to Jamaica several times and she can't kind. The family was good. The both family was good.
Right.
You know? Matter of fact, we even cut a gate between the two fence them so we can just go to each other yard, like a 1 yard, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's how good they used to live. So years pass, there was the hustler guy and him big her up. She Jamaica, she drive big car, she have money, she got dance, tone up dance, and everybody behind her car. She had dance basically when he's not here, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So my generation. Now my cousin have a son. So next generation now. So that lady I'm telling about, she would be say 15 years older than my little cousin. Second cousin basically.
Real. Who would be 15 years old?
The lady, the girl I'm talking about.
Okay.
So she come to Jamaica now back in about 2004 this happened.
Mm-hmm.
And my cousin, she maybe about 30 a year old and him about 18, 19, 20.
Mm-hmm.
So she see him and don't know how, but surprisingly, she get involved with him. Remember, she have our big man America where I take care of her. She have money, she have them have house on the hill. So just come down here cook for her grandmother in the ghetto, okay?
Yeah.
And she get entangled with my little cousin.
Yeah.
Teenager, big woman.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
Okay? Not a problem. All right, so she start take him out and hide and go sleep with him and hide because, you know, our man are done and people know him, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Money there, enough money there. I mean, they have house on the hills.
Right.
Any which way, she starts sleep with him now and I don't know what she did to him, but I guess she freak him out. You understand what I mean? She freak him out, turn him into this person here where him start fall in love with her that much. He might do anything she asks him to do sexually because he basically love her. Pretty big woman, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Any which way, she travel back and forth. So after a little while, I guess him start get bright now. You know what I'm saying? Him start, you know, come up front with her and I try. When him see her, he might walk, talk to her, hold on her and, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I be a man now. And she said, no, little boy, I want you. Run him away.
Mm-hmm.
I say, you know what? This not working out. Let him go. Move. Yeah, you boy, in a sense.
Right.
All right. So she went away. So she came up on Christmas now to do black and white. We all went on black and white.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't staying there. I was at somewhere uptown at hotel.
Mm-hmm.
Not knowing that mentally the little boy I lose it.
Mm-hmm.
Mentally he was losing it, Raga, and could hold it, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
And she go by down there now with her friends because her family and cousin down there, they were getting ready to go to black and white the night.
Mm-hmm.
December 31st, 2024. And while she was in the room fixing up something with her here in the bathroom, Raga. The little boy come behind her and I talk to her. And she said, yo, move on a running way. You know, she had body up on a running way, you know what I'm saying? But other people in the house. I hear her running way. See, what I say is two neighbors and they are friends, they have for years, you know what I'm saying? And I say, Raga, little boy, pull out a gun and shoot one eye back, Raga. I mean, Raga, luckily, it take off the whole of one side of her head. Her ears with ear on it was on the ground. She could see that. Everyone could see that. She grab her bag, not dead, grab her bag, take her phone and call somebody America and tell them that the little boy just killed her. She frightened where her mind gone, rather. She grab her bag, grab up her phone, and call somebody in California to tell them, say, the little boy just killed her.
Avoid the K-word. Avoid the K-word to honor life.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And eventually, them come and run out of the house and them grab her to the hospital. Raga. She was in coma for almost 9 months. She was paralyzed completely. Her brain wasn't working, nothing at all. And him run away and he was totally mad now. Totally, rather real madman on the street. Mad. All kind of things. He even tried to kill himself and it never worked out. He go up in a breadfruit tree, try, take himself and the limb broke. And him drop and break him foot. But after that, he was completely mad. And she got through one bag of things with her Raga with everything. And she come back out maybe a year later and she didn't press charge. He was completely mad already. He was completely gone. Dirty madman. So it tore the both family apart away, Raga, because they come from so far. They might come almost 70 years. The whole family come from 70 years. All the family come together. Whole family neighbors. And it messed up everything. And I speak to her still right now. I see her maybe about a couple months ago because she's here back here now. The man left her and gone. So she ended up having a hard life. Her life get tough. She had to go to school, go to work and everything get back because everything was so bad and wrong. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And told the little boy and finally lose him like about 10 years ago, them find him dead on the street. I'm saying nobody ever touch him, nobody ever do nothing to him. It was just him just pass away. You know what I'm saying? Right. So I was talking, this come up to me now, Raga, because the lady earlier was talking about the madman them, I used to the mad people them. And they say, oh, man madder than woman and woman man more than woman. And trust me, when I say woman madman, but in that situation there, Raga, she mad him. I blame her. I talk to her. I'm her best friend right now. I see her. I talk to her a lot when I see her. And we're good. And she conscious now. And Raga, she's a changed woman, Raga. Look about the same way. You have to move her here. She said them sew on back the whole one side of here, head side, and sew it on back.
She was 15 years a senior, right?
Yes.
So you was young. It was a big woman and take a look at a young boy, right?
Yes. So she come and sit
and broke him out, do something, because she have experience and do some things with him and mash up him head, right?
She come and claim, say, she see him penis and it was a good size and that she see and draw to him. That's what she said what time. Up to now, she will tell you that.
Up to now, she would say that?
Yes. She would, if she tell the story, when she tell the story, what happened, she get involved. She say, I see she same penis one day and did a...
Yeah, same rifle. Yeah, same rifle,
okay.
Yeah.
Your rifle and she like the size item, I'm saying? And I should see and draw her to him. Never knowing that this would lead into all of this controversy.
Okay. John. So how old was he when he did this?
He was about 19 going into 20.
Yeah, young green boy. Don't know life. Yeah. Yeah, young green boy don't know life and them sitting there and thing, you know.
So it is very. Sometimes Raga hear some things that, but Raga, as I said to you, every single person have their own story to tell, have their own bridge to cross.
Mm-hmm.
And when them reach it, Raga, before you can cross it.
Yeah.
You can't sit and say, oh, me not gonna do that, and me won't do that. You not got the bridge yet.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the family was torn apart. So for right now, the younger ones, them kind of mend back together. My grandma died, her grandma died also. My mother died. Her mother's still alive right now. So it's just very funny, you know what I'm saying?
Seeing.
So far, so good. We kind of good. We're kind of good for now.
Yeah, it's really sad, though. It's really sad, though, you know. And may get mash up certain way and thing and then go do something as terrible as that and thing, see?
So, luckily nothing need to happen.
All right. Why somebody blew up your phone there, you know? Cooker.
Yeah, you hear me? Yes,
yeah. Like, can't get a booty call there, you know.
Yeah, no, Raga. Just there, so I say more help too, because everybody I beg help. More than 3 women that want help it right now. 3 more. 1 for cook, 1 for wash, and 1 for other things, okay?
Okay. Well, all the best in your enterprising objectives. Okay.
Raga,
all right.
Raga, me get all date for Raga Bash. Me get all that date for Raga Bash, Raga. Right, Raga, my boss.
Well, go you. All right. And you don't have to say.
Raga Bash. And Raga, I need to figure out how to buy the 5 tickets for the giveaway shit. And everybody ready?
What do you mean how to figure out to buy it? And me I can buy them from.
Okay. We're ready, Raga, ready. We're ready. We're not going away.
All right, okay. Then. All right. Now say a word, cooker. And all right.
So big up everybody on the thing and the program. And trust me, just go on do the thing, people. Love the vibes. And trust me, Raga, you do a great job, Raga, because trust me, you name peace and happiness, right? Anywhere, any day.
Yeah.
So all the ladies, them are so big for themselves and one love. You hear people?
All right, Cooker. Big up yourself, man. Yeah, man.
I'm ready to see you, okay?
Yeah, man. Protection.
Meet man. And greet. Raga Bash.
Oh, you mean, man? We'll turn that up, man. Yeah. Right,
all
people.
Right, respect, brother.
It goes some, man. Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool. Yeah, anybody who want tickets to Raga Bash can link me directly, you know, but do remember that tickets are available out there in New York City. Tickets are available online and New York City, all right? So let me just remind you know, and things saying this is, all right, this is the regular ticket, right? That are the regular ticket. See it there? This is the VIP, all right, and this is the Ultra VIP. That's it. And the tickets are out there. Remember, in the Bronx, People's Choice Furniture on Boston Road. You can get tickets there. People's Choice Furniture. Tickets are also available at Rockatone Restaurant in the Bronx at 218 and White Plains. 218 and White Plains, Rockatone Restaurant. You can get your tickets there. Baby Lips, you have to come, man. Or if, you know. Oh, the regular tickets are $45, the VIP $90, and the Ultra VIP $150. Some people get in cabanas, but that's separate. There's groups of 10 or more, they get in cabanas. That's separate. You do have a TamFam ambassador ticket. That is for a select set of people who they just want to contribute to me. And those tickets are $250 each. TamFam ambassador tickets. Those are minimal for obvious reason. People who are, and that's just people who are supporting me basically, right? Now some people, have a crew of 4 people who say, Raga, we just want to support you, so we want when we did have the last Ragabash, they paid the 250 each, and for them thing is, them don't even go in the different areas they do. Them not go in at the VIP or whatever, you know. Them just stay in our little card or whatever, and them dads. So it's not even about the way it named it for them, you know. Them just want to support me, and them say, want put our money for support, you know. And when you go to Amazura, it's all about the door. Okay? But so the three general tickets are the regular and the VIP and the ultra VIP, $45, $90, and $150. Okay? And again, tickets are also at Mount Vernon and Just Jerk Restaurant. But I'm going to put up something with the ticket locations and thing. Tickets are at Queens at VP Records on Jamaica Avenue. VP Records on Jamaica Avenue. Tickets are there. VP Records on Jamaica Avenue. Tickets are also at Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue in Queens. Genesis Restaurant on Hillside Avenue in Queens. Tickets are in Brooklyn at Yard Style Restaurant at 105 and Flatlands. Yard Style Restaurant, 105 and Flatlands. Yard Style Restaurant at 105 and Flatlands. Tickets are at Topaz Restaurant, that is also on Utica and Flatlands. Topaz Restaurant outside of Utica and Flatlands. Tickets are also at eventbrite.com. That's online, eventbrite.com. Eventbrite.com. When you go there, you have to put in Ragabash and put in New York in their respective locations. You know where you put in New York and what you put in Ragabash, and you can buy tickets online at eventbrite.com. And of course, you can get tickets directly from me. You know, just send me a text, right? You can get tickets directly from me. Right, just send me a text at the following number. 516 500 0210. And if you want that number, it's in my bio here on TikTok. Okay? But you see people put it in the chat. But it's in my bio here on TikTok. So again, my birthday party, Ragabash, Saturday, September 20, Amazura. It's a grown and sexy affair. It's an elegant, festive, grown and sexy affair. A festive, elegant, grown and sexy affair. So put on your good clothes, right? Mr. Mooney in the chat, a.k.a. Angela Benjamin, when she touch road, girl, clean, right? So make sure say your thing look clean. You know, when picture take everybody look good, right? And you favor one Ann Carter sitting there. You understand what I say? So you want your thing clean and proper. Cause that's something there, you know. Yeah. Dress, yeah, and look good. Music by Glamour Wayne and thing. Glamour Wayne, DJ Roy, DJ Chris Cross, yeah. Echo Vibe Sound, Brown Boss, and you know, other selectors are rolled through, all right? And again, it's a grown and sexy affair, so you know, it's a festive, nice music where Jamaican people love and all these things. Big up on yourself, all right? Everything is everything. People take care of themselves. Yeah, CBS make them know. Jojo Beans, big up, you know. Jasmine say, Raga, a husband may come look at the bash, okay? Don't worry yourself, man. You can't get husband, man. I haven't heard Jasmine say you're good as. So you can't get husband easy, man. Don't worry yourself, man, all right? Okay, people, big up on yourself, you know. Everything. All right, people, big up on yourself. Love and blessings and things. See? Thanks for hanging out. So tomorrow, once a big respect to the people who subscribe tonight. Bless upon yourself. Enough respect to the people who gave subscriptions to other people. And thing was enough thanks, Queen Nash and the whole crew. All right, blessings. See? Yeah, the brought around tonight. Money, big up yourself, you know, love and blessing, you know, you understand, okay? Ratings, lock and seal, not change, not switch, never, all right? Again, all who not follow me yet before they leave, just follow me now too, okay? Blessings and things. People take care of yourself. You know, tomorrow, 6 o'clock, right? Just so same way. Tomorrow. Respect. Cool. Tracy, see you forward. Back up forward. Osha, put us. Osha. Forward and thing. Respect for the forward, all right? Tropical sweet trees. Yeah, wait for me leave so you can't leave. Okay. Baby lips, big up yourself, man. See? All right. Okay, I'm going to leave now. See it there? And I see what Mooney says where Angela Benjamin said TamFam party always shot. Because she don't miss them, you know? And a foundation TamFam of that. Know that here. Yeah. Big up on yourself. All right. Out the road. You even set them thing, yeah. Yeah, if you set that on them thing, you know. Genuine wholesale. Looking forward to seeing you there. Big up, man. Cool. TikTok boss. Nah, miss you. I jiggy something, man. It's gonna be the place to be that night. I'm a signature sound that from back in the day, you know. Diva girl, thank you. You're so kind. You're so kind. Me with my old pop down self, yeah. Kimberly Raga, I'm holding up my eyelid until you log out. Yeah, but you always want man go till 11, 12 o'clock and you can't keep up. You see it, Kimberly, you see you. You see you love pick up but you can't manage down. Always want to go till 11 or 12 o'clock and you can't keep up, you know. Always want to go long and strong. And you don't have the stamina for do it. Oh, you always a pick up where you can't angle, don't. Eh? Why you always a pick up where you can't angle or run in, want to go long and strong and then you cry, cree. Don't. Yeah, man, one Kimberly, you know, yeah. If I'm about Raga, go till 11 and 12 no matter whatever, you see it, and that eyelid can't keep up, yeah. I love when you take long for leave and get more time for admire you. Boy, them lips there. Yeah, you can't go long, man. I broke on one, broke on Miss Cherry Boy. Yeah, I broke on one, broke on Miss Cherry Boy, and I see man innocent. Yeah, when I broke me over an angel around here. All right, people, good night, good night, good night. Raga, kiss the camera. Okay, that's it. Good night. Good night. All right. I'm getting in trouble right as I know it. Okay, I'm out.